Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode in Angikoewani. Ladies and gents, I've got you guys. King of Mosha, Finisha, the Sweet D, Canon, my gents.
Simnandi, sweet and delicious into zakhona yazi umdoko abantwana njaka gogo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel it, my gents, I feel it. Okay, asiqale ngawe Sweet D.
Sure.
Legama leli Sweet D. Ulithole kanjani uthi? Canon mfethu.
Khona enye out yami kanje bengikhothana naye kudala like besefemine wani bebathi unomene. So that guy is creative. Mina igama lami kahle bengudona. Don Marathon, I understand.
Okay, Marathon. Okay.
So it came by whereby ukuthi uthola ukuthi maybe lapha siyakhothana ngiphethe ama-Danone lapha ngiphethe ini hayi ugazi uyabona okay afele bheka makashaya itrack ugazi nangoku uyacala Sweet Dona Danone iyacala lapho ke nami ngavela ngabona ukuthi into ehambayo le ngaduma ngayo. Yeah.
Okay. Ma udla bapha abantwana?
Uyazi njaka gogo obvious abantwana engimele ngibadle lapha. La bengimele ngibablesse ngama-Danone laba njaka gogo uyangithola showcase.
Yeah. I know ngiyakuthola uthami. And then wena finish enhleke uthami. Bona ulithole kanjani? Finisha futhi mfethu nanokuthi ubizwe nje King of Mosha mfethu.
Obviously.
Mfethu uthole title e big kangaka mfethu uthole kanjani mfethu nale gama finish enhleke nalo lithole kanjani nje lona lelo gama lelo?
Yeah, mina igama leli ngilithole ebukhothaneni nje yami ngithola.
Yeah, sure.
From day one vele sakhula vele. Futhi manje igama leli ngalithola kwesinye scheme sami so.
Yeah, sure.
Wabiza ngama Italian candy exposure. Ice.
Yeah.
Diziyafele bezibhaya so zonke bezinama nickname kuyimi umuntu omusha eschemeni yabo.
Okay.
So bekhona uPanisha file by that time. Which is the outside afele bekuyinhlezi ngiclose nayo yabo.
Yeah, sure.
So I decided ukuthi ngibe yitwin layo yabo. So manje yabona becabanga ukuthi Panisha into ezoba Panisha ngaba yini omunye yabona. So afikela ufinisha ngithatha.
Yeah, sure.
So mayifikela ufinisha kanjalo tsanja since wena uyi out time kanje ngcono wena ubufinish. And out yakhona igama layo ugama ufile yabo. Out yakhona seFoslocus 28 phase 2 ufile yabo.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, out yanka igama. From that day bicethe unginikeza yo. Ade gama langilandela njalo.
Langilandela ne?
Yeah, langilandela. Kuyo yonke into engiyenzayo vele.
From Vaeskela
From education to escale.
Damn it.
Because missing figure scale sengifinisha sengibulala kakhulu vele.
Yeah.
Singene ma dance floor vele singamosha. Nalangilandela bona finisha kuchira ngapha finisha machita finish. Yabona malangihlayanyisa not finish. Gcina vele suwinte on vele sengifinisha one way vele yabo.
Yeah,
until today nama ngisafinisha yabo shoot nje bekumele ngobufinisha. So yeah, that's why lisinda kanje legama yabona noma kubiza nje finish
nesinda ne. No wait athi. Yeah.
So yeah, just nje na legama linento ezibhayo. Aminento ezibhayo finisha yo. Yeah,
then King of Mosha yena, how did you become like a King of Mosha?
Okay, finisher the King of Mosha.
Okay.
The
King of Mosha.
Yeah.
Sure.
So with the King of Mosha into ukuthi like ngemosha dance ngithola.
Yeah.
Mosha dance ihlukene khona imosha dance asesowethu khona imosha dance asekatlehong khona imosha dance asebumathimbisa so yabo. So mina ngifinisha the King of Mosha uphi waseFoslocus which is under vele katlehong neFoslocus into eseduze yabo.
So kahle kahle wona bo represent ikasi lakho ngara.
Yeah, kada ngishaya imosha dance kada.
Yeah.
So mina ngide King of Mosha ngade dance ngishaya.
Yeah.
Yangithola. So abantu bengikhula ngabashela ukuthi ngithatha igama la ka King Mosha or la vele u King Mosha vele shout out to King Mosha vele.
Yeah, sure.
Yabakhona vele back then.
Yeah.
Nakasekho manje emhlabeni. So abantu bashuthi ngithatha kwigama lakhe yabo.
Yeah.
Like ngabashela ukuthi ngikopile yabona na nix. Mina ngofinisha the King of Mosha because of dance lengishaya. So le dance level bengishaya vele from day one mina ngicala ukujiva since ngishaya Mosha dance lengishaya lengisayishana today. And since ngiyifinisha since kuyimo number 1 until today ngale dance le. Ngekho umuntu okhwa isusa le title lokangithathela lento ngiyenza. mengicabanga maybe kuyiqala lento lezo boma 2012 lapho somewhere
Yeah,
lapho
man, yo, it's
or
been long.
2011 yeah finish
Sure.
uqale la kushaya dance level
Sure,
yeah
sure,
till
sure,
today
sure.
so yeah the King of Mosh cycle la khona yaqala from that vele uthi ngi King of Mosh ya dance le engishaya
Okay, okay, I know ngiyakuthola. Then what's your real name, dog?
Yeah bazomdelela
Ithini
kakhulu
number plate?
manje
Mfethu, mele siyazi,
kakhulu
mfethu,
manje
ithini number plate yakho?
eish
Tell.
yazi inkinga lentwana lezidelela kakhulu
Usho
yabona
kanjani?
mazoqala zicaba legama mara otherwise feel bheka mina ngujabulani nje akagogo ngithola
Yeah.
jabulani bafana into ezigrand ngithola
Yeah,
yeah net
yeah,
ukuthi eish sebazwe igama le wrong
Yeah, ne.
angeke
irong
basathita no
kanjani kwesigama lakho
angeke basathita no
Hayi,
ngithola
khululeka,
Bona
kwaziwa
bathi,
ngo-sweet
jabulani
bean,
jabulani ujabulani
Into zabantwana.
ama comment
mfethu,
engiwathola manje
mfethu. Yeah.
angeke kusabota no
azokujabulisa
Yeah,
jabulani
ume baba ngitshela serazi impintshi ngitshela serazi
Asibundulela le ubani enhlekehleke le ubani athi abigama lakho file wena.
igama lami uthando
Yeah,
love
sure.
dog yabona
oh hayi
thando kuphela
Thando kuphela,
thando
ne?
abantwana
Yeah,
how
yeah.
sweet love awuthe grand
Awuthe grand.
yeah.
uthando
mathando
yebo lo hayi mathando swale thando straight yeah
Okay.
ngiyakujabulela igama lami ngifana noDanon jabulani
mpintshi ngiphelela lentwana serazi
Ningitshele fere nisuka va machance like nanisuka khona.
okay fere mina uthi ngisuka ithembisa ne but ngizothi ngisuka ithembisa because abantu ababhaba icave Ivory Park ne but basically mina I'm from Ivory Park we by Ivory Park ifola under ini ithembisa
Thembisa.
showcase
Okay. Unosuka va wathi
mina I'm born and raised eFoslogas nje yami ngithola
Yeah.
yeah ngikhulela la from vele ukukhula kwami ngikhulela la until today but now ngimovile to eThembisa Ivory Park yeah sing there no push izinto zami la but ngikhulele eFoslogas
Mani nayo lento yasemakhaya machance.
yeah emakhaya nginayo mina into akhona file umuntu waseNatal file but ake ngithi ngikhulela khona because
Yeah.
since ngiseFoslogas
Yeah.
bengiyara ngokuvakasha ngisesentwana but ngicine kudala yeah but sinyazi uva emzini
Okay.
yeah mina ngitholakala eLimpopo nje kagogo eGiyane ngithola
Okay.
yeah ngila ngitholakala khona mara nama ngeke ngithi ngitholakala le cause ngikhulele la ngizalele la yonke into yami la le
Yeah.
so ukuthi vela abomagajana uma already bonke bangala baphuma ngala mina mara ngizalelwe la so basically emakhaya wami kula le sengizomane ngithi kusemakhaya wami just because of kula kuzalwa khona ini abazali bami feli
Yeah.
showcase
Okay. Fere nina nazana kanjani fere nothi ngiyazi ukuthi like ni scheme vele nibabhaya yangithola. Yeah, but nje ubani oyiconnect mhlambe like umuntu uplay a huge role ukuthi mhlambe nigcine senazana
okay fair mina feel since bengiplome eFoslogas kahle amajita mawaploma eThembisa yabo
Yeah, sure.
so amajita mewabantu like ngabacave yabo mina kahle eFoslogas bengiyi-1 yabo sinkhulume kula majita la ubona ngivana nawo manje
Yeah, sure.
bengiyi-1 eFoslogas then kube khona ubani uvuso fast yena bakuphi bekasethokoza ngithola so mina no fast iqale ya connect sada fade movement ngithola
Yeah.
because of bakashaya dance lengishaya ntwana yabo so ngamfrustana from that day kumbona vele kuma socials with ntwana iphusha lento engiphusha sahlangana kanjalo nontwana sapusha movement kwava isikhathi safika ku music ngithola mesifika ku music fast awangitshela ukuthi ntwana mina since ku music kanje mina ngizomove ngithembisa ungamangala singivayile kayi kahle khona ngithola ntwana wavawa ithembisa mawafika eThembisa show music grand bang invite kuleso studio sakhe untwana ngafika nami kara show music which is untwana babane scheme sabo kara eThembisa which is Mboko MySLK yani
showcase nje
yeah
myself.
babane scheme sabo MySLK kara untwana ma show music kara fast Thembisa so makashisisika silonke vela libidisa afikile vela show music
ayizo wena
mama chidona ngiwasha ngitsala no track asala mo track no mama i track fina ngitsala
Yeah.
mara mebasha abantwana makasha music kara because now usuke ikahle ho makushisisika slab yabo so abantwana bafika kanjalo abantwana fika ngebeef abantwana ngitsala uthi wena ubani wena fika siyeka la yabona khe fine ntwana mina wangisikela ukuthi khona lezi ama-SL khe yabona sifika ngento kanje nakanje 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 yeah I think it's work la sicala kwazana namajita but singavayi sonke then-ke mekuvayi isikhathi kancane ke sacala ukujwayelana because of my sabona lento lezi ama-beef ngeke zisisebenzele ngone siphome sonke yeah ngasho ukuthi abantwana ngibacale ukubazi ngofafasta because mina benkarayi for slokas yana makacala ukubacaba abantwana mina esayidini lami so ntwana ngakutshela nayo then ungazi kanjani yeah
yafela ukawu ringevari mina kumcava ukawu ngimcaba ngofastra ngitshola mina ufastra ngimcaba ngofezela I understand why because ufezela bekacula ufastra bekacula so fastra thema kafika nje kasi yeah uyibhemisile akaringa manje ayibhemisile isikhathi eside njalo siyabona ubani manje lo fika azofuna ukuzorula territory net because thina Ivory bekwetha mesilike yena uma ungaya bazokutshela ukuthi lize safika nabo la bekasi labo li samosha kakhulu sigijimisa maraferi ngaba into ukuthi okay masihlangana no fast uthola ukuthi umjito switch on yabona ima chance mina ngina beef nani so since ngina beef nani how about isispane sonke so sithema siqala vele okay siyaringa ukuthi okay asispane sonke that's when azo introduce abo finisher khona amanye amajita afele besispana nabo alligator abo ultra abo tsomentso zibhaya fele kula fast razo time chance mina na amajita ngipusha nawo nofezela na tie now amajita ngipusha nawo yabona that's when siqale saba united chip today fele showcase
ike abaserious lento yama beef ne like kuyikhothane kahle kahle
ike abaserious
to what extent gents
yo angazi ukuthi ngizothi to what extent but into engakutshela ukuthi ike yabaserious webhayi ukuthi nanomova endleleni awuchamne
sure
mawucala ucabanga ukuthi yo ngizohlangana nalezi abobani ubone ukuthi hayi ngilanga ngambe ngiwandla so ike yabaserious webhayi ukuthi la sihlangana khona yaso mina ngithola ufinisher yenza ini ngamtshele wena ungitsheli lo ngimhlasela nambe ngingathembi ukuthi lawuchile Julie ngihlala naye
mina ukuringa ivar when it comes to ama beef bengasinto like bengilandelela njalo
okay
since kuyima ama beef nani into ehlezi ngiz-avoid because ngiyazi ukuthi angeke ngizophikisana nabantu because of impahla nani and mina into engenza ukuthi ngitrend yini dance nokuthi abantu bangithanda yini dance so mina meyiba nekwali now if ever uzongitshela ukuthi wena ngihlola ngokujaya so if misoba namakwali ukuthi wena ugcoke nani la lezi bengazi-entertain so lezi angasho ukuthi bengizikhipha mina noma machita acala zenze feel
useparate
bengiseparate
cheese boy wami this is into ezinyama
ngitshela serious
cheese boy kanjani dano wazi ukuthi ngiphila na every day
so
ngicwalisela ngemali
mo isikhathani kumele u cheese boy what
ayikho le
cheese boy sibona kule ntwana yami
yahlanya
cheese boy lentwana angazi ukuthi ngizobeka kanjani into le mfele mawuyisikhothane nje akumelanga kuze ube cheese boy ube yini isikhothane it's all about wena self uzitshela ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuba isikhothane ngifuna ukugcoka kanje khothane kahle kahle it's all about colorful world lezo bu cheese boy nani yasebenzi so ukuthi le yami le hey
tanona kabaze bo cheese boy challenge nasingo cheese boy mina ngikhule vele ngiyawuthi vele ukuthi vele ngasihlanganisela izinto nje
sure
but ayengikhala ngithi abazali bami bangekho there for mina nani bafakile isandla ngibacela ukuthi bangicwalisele but bengeke ngithi umama ubabami kwe uAntwami abamana keep imali nje full odahamba uthenga into kanje wena mina ngaphetha nga something ukuthi ngizicwalisele so ukuthi ucheese boy yama
uyazi ukuthi ngiringela phezukwane kanti yini inkinga yakho uyazi ngayo uteteme kakhulu mfana ucheese boy yabona abo cheese boy baphila kanjani ba soft bayatefu nangu manje sikakhala ngani angeke ngizikhulume uyakhala you understand cheese boy lentwana lentshela serious
Ayabona fan. By the way, gents, I forgot to introduce the co-host of the show. We've got to see lapha ku backstage. So ngamangala may efake voice like from time to time. Athepa into the conversation. And when I uthi amkhula kanjani because niyasho ukuthi like bekahlanganisa nani. Wena fele wena ukhula kanjani?
Same applies to mina ngiyatsho ukuthi like ngiyaziphandela yonke into webhayi angidingi uma okay thingithi abazali bami already they've done a lot empilweni yami you understand so I can't ukuthi dependele kubo all the time.
Yeah.
So ngithe kahle ithi ngiyibeke kanje after matric that's when I realized okay really phela manje sofisana ne reality.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Whereby you have to do things on your own.
Yeah, sure.
Ndabe ukuthi mama iphelile manje. You understand? So now I'm like bengilatsho ukuthi okay fere peace shop nanani ngiyancenga just for the sake ukuthi ngibe grand ngikwazi ukugcoka ngikwazi ukufacana na whoever ofuna ukungiface. So mina vele ngikhule like ngiziphandela until today siyaziphandela ngathola namajito ukuthi aphethe imiqondo mina ngiyiphethe.
Yeah.
Whenever we hustle together siyapostana idanon manje ingawe lento lena sikhuphula wena. Efinisha manje lento ingawe sikhuphula yena fastra kanjalo fezela kanjalo. So into vele like engayisho namanje ukuthi like mina vele ngikhule ngizenzela yonke into. Nasendlini bayazi ukuthi leya I still next.
Okay. And I'd like us like to have that conversation because like I feel like there's a misconfusion like when it comes to isn't there fun analysis like mom cheater gents aningitsheleni yangithola like mom cheater do you think like is it necessary enhle ukuthi mhlambe mawuqeda iskela noma the more ukhula and stuff like that like is it necessary ukuthi uziphandele nani ungadependeli ulokukhala because uthola ama gents ahoti kunathi but still asabhiza sacela izinto komama nani nibona kanjani
yakhawatha lento leyo mozolo lokudepend ebazalini njalo
sure.
So I think mawuqedile vele iskela
yeah especially after iskela
okay nanoma usiskela
okay
but mara obvious for most wonke umuntu angithola
yeah sure
yeah ngaba after iskela but mina I prefer ukuthi lokhu seseskela like uqala ukusihlanganisela njengami kanje ngicela ngiseseskela feel so ngisipushela mina when dance lengishayayo the culture lengivanga mina ngiyayibona kanjani mina ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibe ngaba ufinisher vele from day one if angizange ngaba lo muntu lo angabe kudzima for mina ukuthi ngisihlanganisele njalo so mina umkhothane bami bayangibhadala njalo noma ngithi ngiyajiva noma ngithi ngiyenzana noma ngithatha ama photo shoot basanokungibiza nje bangishaya ukuthi hayi today sicela i-half day shoot for 5k yamswa nje for ukuthi uzoshoota nje uveze ubuso bami ngidlale nje ngeimali 99 bangikade
phela udlala ngesimile singana next awaje ngisodlala ngayo
yeah so I believe it's mom cheater nje amele uziphandele nje
yeah sure
amele uziphandele ungadepend because isibaningi abo cheese boy like back then mabayikhothana babathengele makibo maka today kubonakala thina la mesiziphandela
usho kanje
ivara lo chama
wena namhla wazibani ikhothana makaziniki wena waziphi ikhothana sisibuze wena since wena uinterview waziphi ikhothana nje
azabantu abafana nani ngiringiva bava majet ava gent
most yabo
kwenzakaleni like manibheka nina kwenzakaleni enhlekweni yeah and bona bathola i-support from endlini bababhayela ibala nani
phela ngithi maye kunjalo ingqondo yakho vele kenza ukuthi relax
yeah sure
phela obvious yonke into engiyifuna ngizoyithola ngizovele ngithi mama ngicela RM
yeah sure
ngicela isifazo bazongithengela yeah so maye obvious nabazali bayakhathana bakubona ungenawo ungazenzeli izinto ungaziphandela yabo so maybe nemali yaphela endlini imisebenzi yaphela for abazali bese wena thothi vele wena siyakudla nawe lento leyo sakhona ukuziphandela because into ongayijwayela
sure
yangithola so baba naleyo challenge bese basalele emuva bese thina kuphanda kanje siyaphaselela siselanga
keep on going up
khuphuka
phezulu
because mongathi uyabheka ikhothane bese babhaya kule game kunekimi more than 100 yekimi sesiphikisana mina mangifike eFosloras ngiyazi ukuthi kunekimi ezibuma 20 but today baphelele eva abaningi basestradini nje do you know why because lo muntu lo ukhula azi ukuthi mina ekhaya bazongenzela akafani nami mina nginalento lokuthi kwamele ngiyospan mangabe kumele ngiyospan econtractini I have to go there in order for mina ukuthi kusasa ngithi nanoma ngigezile ngithi finisher sibalande siyafana so laba bafana bama cheese boy nani laba besikhothana nabo back then bakhawathekile manje because of ekini bafika bakunikeze 5000 now chama awazi ukuthi le 5000 le bayithole kanjani wena bayakunika uyakhala mama ufuna imali bayakunika yahamba thenga change salayo ma trucks in yakhawatheka utshela ukuthi wena iphanda umuntu ophandayo umuntu owazi inhlupheko angasuka nje athathe imali yakhe azithengela ama drugs akayisebenzele kanzima it can't be uyazi ukuthi le mali akayiphethe kwamele imenzele something in order for ukuthi azophinda athole something
njalo
anye ngiyakuthola and uthe uthamba uqala ukuphanda usasesigela bowenzani esigela uthamba yini le
mina bengiphanda ngedance nje aya mina bengikhona ukutshela abantu ukuthi like intwana mayifuna like ukuthi ngifundise khona abantu la kuma TikTok my tutorial please cishe ama tutorial which is feeding ngiyafuna ukwashane
yeah sure
but for le dance ngishayile from dala nje ngishaya le dance leyo so intwana lezi like bengisana ukuzibiza yabona nje ngishela ukuthi maybe 30 minutes faka le 80 rand because bekuyinto ukuthi vele ngiphanda ngayo leyo intwana lezifika vele kubona fika intwana 80 rand ifaka leso style lezo itayela sukuya ngaka ukuthi uyabamba kanjani if awubamba uzolokhuza ngamalanga so bekuyimali like bengithola from side nami ama 80 rand ama 50 rand bese ke ngithole ama text fast ngapha ama DMD nani babona ama shoot waza via nani ya so bengiphanda kanjalo nje mina ngasho ukuthi nje bengiphanda via social media yeah
wena fade out yami
kwakuyindlela ama sweet nje yami
amadano into zengane
straight away nje ama sweet obvious uyazi sweet nyana 3 nyana 5 hop scale yapayisa yancenga ngoba grand yazi uthi at least mawuyendlini uphethe something I understand mina into bengiphanda ngayo vele
and lento le I feel like iyo lento le ithola ukuthi mhlambe seyikudelelisa uzothola mhlambe kumanye ama family uthola ukuthi like mawungasi out mhlambe eyiphanda ngithola uzothola mhlambe like abo cherry uthola ukuthi mhlambe seba tshela otherwise like ngithola so uthola ama negative comments nje ngithola asi indoda wena in ungazositshela ngithola nje like uthola izinto ezibhala like negativity even from endlini nje iba like it comes to a point whereby now that's why ubathola I think that's the reason why uthola ama gents like agcwele study ngithola because man even the pressure bayithola from endlini ayisekho grand nani ngithola it's too much
awucha mina into engakutshela ne1 yabona even nalobo ukhothane lo bengisase kubo na today ngiloko nginale minyaka enginayo manje
yeah sure
matholile ama crisis ezabhaya awucha ukuthi useless uyisikhothane ubuzokuyenzelana nani but today lo muntu bekangitshela ukuthi ukhothane ubuzangenzelana today uthi Grootman kimi
Ivar mina nabaningi abantu abadala nakimi today abangayicabe jamba ngibiza Grootman nawubona ukuthi
Grootman ngikubone kuma backstage wama OMS ngikubone ama backstage wama in understand leyo muntu bekathi ubukhothane bu useless even nasendlini sikuthengela impahla ezidurayo mahala hey what understand but today bayayibona ke lo bukhothane bami ukuthi bungenzelana because now I'm making money through bona lo bukhothane even though akusemali ebhaya but banokuthi bathi entanga siyacula vavazwakala mangifika lapha ehashunyane elincane ngiyalithola mangifika endlini futhi bona labo bathi lo bukhothane bami bashela something
mina ukurenga ivara yabona angibablame abazali wena mabazothi abukhothane lebo benza abu useless nani because of a picture bayithola from dala kulabantu from 2010 nani labo bebamosha bayithinta nani bashisa impahla nani
bayidabula zonke lezo zinto lezo
so ngeke ubablame abazali mabakutshela ukuthi hayi wena into yenza useless ngiyenzele imali ngoba uyesikela nani ngoba uninzi into kanje nakanje danokuthi uyenze kanje
sure
so ngeke ngibablame for into le and manje ukuze bayikhiphe kuleyo mindset kumele ubabonise wena ukuthi kuthale wena lesamaya ukuthi kuyenzakalana kahle movement ihamba kanje and manje wena ukhona ukuzenzela into ezikanje nakanje and ukhona ukuchange into kanje change in situation lapho nalapho khona ukuncedisa la ubamba khona nalapho yangithola kuze nabo fele bafile ukuthi hayi khona into eyenzakalayo ngithola so yeah
okay mine nenhleke nithole kanjani like senijoin ubukhothana because njengoba usho ukuthi back then negativity like bayibhaya so like criticism even like from endlini estradeni escala like it was everywhere
ngithola nje mina ngibe isikhothane ngedance nje ngithola mina dance mina into engenza ukuthi ngibe isikhothane
idance kahle uqale waba idancer before uba isikhothane
okay yes ngayibeka kanjalo because ngiqale ngivela ngajive kucala before ngizobaza ubukhothane full ukuthi ubungani ngithola ngile ngajive ngithe mina ngifika ugrade 4
uqale nini ukujive uthi
ngithi ngiyakubona manje ngithe mina ngifika ugrade 4 futhi ngicabanga ukuthi Yeah, ngithe mengifika ugrade 4 kulapho vele bese ngibona ukuthi no ngakhona ukubamela nabantu abadala. So mekhona enye out ifele ayinginvention igama lakho because ngisanda ukuhlangana estradeni yabo.
Yeah.
Ngizongkwadela fele.
Okay.
Le out besha grade 7 and nebindala.
Yeah, sure.
So belokhu ifela because of ukhothana yona vele bese understand ukuthi
Yeah,
kwenzakala.
yeah.
Besanda ukuphuma nje isigele ivibe yema high school yabo. Ifuna ukukhothana nabantu abadala lokho yona sese vele naye beyindala ne okay fine naye leyo out ifele mina mengisha grade 4 ngabhedlela naye isigele ngithe ngihlula vele lapha isigele ke kulapho vele singibona khona ukuthi akahle ngigcinile mina ngehle
wathola spotlight even nasesigele
wathola imendle ngithola from grade 4 yangithola ngakabu finisha lapho ngakabu finisha vele bangibiza ngegama lami straight
uthando
uthando straight same ngisha grade 7 sikufika khona ngi-out yami aliya uthula ufele mutsipi fele ihlale isprayed emavimbela nasemtsamayi like ya ikarafi abantu bababa icaba fele ikara isikhatle ho leyo out befunda eponego fele le out if mina yangicala vele ungifundisa like ama dance yana nje a few hayi ngeke ngithi ngifundise even from scratch ama dance a few khona dance lebayibiza nge-Mexican.
Okay.
Mexican dance kushaya inyawo nje kanje shake ngishayile nakule
ngibonile
performance le
season 6
usaroka nano wona
leyami
yeah
mcedi yabona le gama lithi finisher
Yeah.
ihleli clean ya nathi masithi masihleli nje sama-gens sithi mabutho sithi hayi umqedi ayidlala
yazi general sesinayi
sure yeah
ngithola so i-Mexican ngalisha from grade 7 theme ngilishaya phasi ichini kushima ngiyashelela indawo yakhona
yeah
shima ngalisha vele lashela ngathi angeva kuhlanya abantwana cabanga from grade 7
sure
ukhothane vele biyashisa fele boma 2012 lapha
yeah
2012 2013 2014 somewhere lapho biyashisa ubukhothane lapho fele too much yabona vele mindset yami yasho ukuthi wena nje I'm so ready fele ukuthi ungabalanda abantu ngithiwa afixture nge-out yami manje uStompi le bastrata yazi ngoma le bastrata
yeah ngiyayibona lo Stompi yeah sure
lo Stompi fele afixture le primary fele sacala sonke movement fele ubukhothane fele ya makazange kube into yaqina kangakho siyabona mesishaji 89 sahlukana igela sali nayo ngayelina kulapho vele sengicala ukuhlangana khona nani nama Italian Kind Expose la ngizothola khona igama lethi finish so icheni yami ukhothane ne dance icale kanjalo vele like hamba kanjalo so nje ngasho ukuthi ubukhothane ngasho ukuthi ngicale boma grade 3 to grade 4
then nga-aligna i-dance nesikhothana vele
align emissing high school le ukuthi ngisikhothane le ngithola because obvious singiseyikimini manje singama ni group which is abanye abakhona ukudansa ikhothane izidume ngeimpahla nokuthona siphethe imali nani ngifika ngedance ngiyabulala la ngifika khona ngiyaceda
mawona bonganayo lento yokukhatha impahla nokushisa impahla
aliyaza ngifikele encondweni le baza because bengishitshela ukuthi
uyidlela indwangu wena
ukugcoka vele bengizogcoka but ukuthi ngithi hayi wena ngazongitshela bona mina ngigcoke into emenqe ngiyenze le but mengifike entweni ulokhu ugcokile into enjalo bengicela ngithi mina
ngibulala ngedance
indoda nalo menayo sure ukuthi hayi baby ngisaye toilet ayihlangana ngale muva kwebhasi ayihlangana ngale
wena mcedi wena
unofinisha ibhemile ke lapho hlalo waseyisokile ke sihlangana nezitshe fastra man danko baba wami ibhemile ke lapho lapho abe kumnandi lapho ngasho ubukhothana bakudala nabo manje
abufana ne into ehlukile futhi
safana phela manje ngithi mase kusele thina manje kusele mina uTanono Fezela fastra sizabaleka ikhothana before
sekuyini kuphela
sekuyithi kuphela njayama fede zikhona lezi kudala ama material culture fede yabona lapho mesibukela kubo fede na mara sekho the way thina manje singakhona
abantu aba-active yini
ngasho
angithi phela ifana neBhayibheli nje yami lento kune Old Testament ne New Testament
bekeka uPaulile baba
so thina
la city
so thina sinye age scocha ngitsho
uPaulile
baba thina njami as waste asmoshe impahla into esiyenzayo si encourage nalabo abazayo ukuthi hayi man
Yeah.
ubukhotshane it's a culture
Yeah.
ithi culture
Yeah.
omunye umuntu angayithatha engathi it's a child's play but ngithi mina mangafika kimi ngitshela ubukhotshane ndiyobisi lesingakhona uchami singathathana la
Yeah.
do you know why
Why?
investile uchami
Yeah.
so much
investile a lot khona umntana ofuna ukugcoka njengami today
Yeah.
khona umntana ofuna ukugcoka njengofinish
Yeah.
khona umntana ofuna ukugcoka njengostilo khona umntana ofuna ukugcoka njengofastra njengofezela so wena mawuzofika ungidelela ungitshela ukuthi ubukhotshane bu-useless kahle kahle wena uyangifuna
Yeah.
Yeah.
you understand yeah injalo nje kagogo
Manje mawucabanga yini eyenze laba abanye bashabalala ngaphela ngabo 2011
ipride njalo
benibaningi lapho
and
Yeah.
yazi yini enye into
Pride
abayenza ukuthi
njalo.
bakhawacheke ile nto besisayisho ukuthi mina as a hustling guy wena uyi-spoil bread awuchami bakunikeza yonke into for free kune-huge different number 1 mina ngiyazenzela awuchami wena bayakwenzela so uma bangasakwenzelekini kwenzakalani ngawo ngishabalala
Yeah.
mina
Abaningi.
I'll keep on ngizenzele wena basakwenzele kini obviously uzobona lento abayikhaba sangenzeli
uzothenga ngani akamhladura
ladura
eyohlola
Yeah,
uba
hey.
ukhipha ama 3000 uba ungajwayela ngiziphandela uyithola phi 3000
yayibona so mina mangazi ukuthi okay a month ngihlanganisa 0.5 kule month la ngihlanganisa 0.5 ngihleli kahle wena ukwazi ukuhlanganisa uyisikhochani bayakwenzele kini umama wakhe akasana malori abazali bakhe abasana mali chayile yakhe uchami sizokubona la sikubona
so that's why kudala nje inkinga ngibukile into leyo
so ubukhochane bamanje bune direction whereby sonke sinama ambition ukuthi we want to achieve more and we want to achieve great things you understand whereby ukuthi angichazwa kuba isikhochane kuphela njengoba ngiyisikhochane kanje nginesifiso sokuthini okay since ngazi ukuthi ikhochane sigcoka irose model sigcoka sigcoka in ngiba isikhochane but ngibheke ukuthi ngifuna laba abangisponsor that's into ene huge different ubukhochane bamanje nebakudala bengisithengela ibhiya makufika ufinisha ngithi angitsheli wena ngichitha phansi you understand lo bamanje ngitshela uchami
namadano
uyangithola ngiyabona ngigcoke kanjani into ekhulumayo le yangana beswachitha maltramela lokho sabona ukuthi hayi leyakusiyo leya
so
Integrant.
manje ama brand and approach
ama brand
yeah
as bengisasho dog besithola amakiki like uthi vele sicela i-photo shoot na
maningi
oh
maningi amanye size siyawa
manje asisayenzi lento leyo because
Nayi
sine
brand.
brand yabona
Yeah.
manje obvious siphushi
yeah,
wazamatsana
because
So
phela
there's no
ekuqaleni
need.
no promoter lama brand
and basikhawachile yabona ivari liyafuneka uchama basikhawachile
but there's no need ukuthi sizokhuluma lento leyo there's no
no
need
yabona mina into engitshelayo
There's no
niwani
need.
into kumele uyicavi ukuthi basikhawachile phela ngiunderstand asifuni ukubakhuluma kabi nani but into kumele uyazi ukuthi basikhawache to such an extent ukuthi sigcine sithi sizenzele into yethu uyangunderstand mina mangibona unayi right ukungibiza ngomatsala noma ungangibizanga ngodanone as long uthe matsala uliphakamisile la kadanone chayile clean
hayi njalo yeah
When I feel ukujoinini like ubukhothana uqale nini kuba isikhothana
yo
and yini yayi influence ukuthi ube isikhothana fela
okay fele ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngijoinini but somewhere lebo ma 2010 mazisashisa like bengibukela khona linye Grootman makhelwane understand bathi umsizer so la uthi liyabe kuyisikhothane webhaye ukuthi like uyo umuntu wangenza ngabona ukuthi iyahamba right there because bekulesikhothane sokuthi akadabula impahla awuchama angeke udabula into onganayo you understand this checking na leskipa lesi mangidabula leskipa lesi sasa ngigqokana so la uthi liyabe kulezo bekulawo majita la webhaye ukuthi akachazwa kumosha kuphela you understand akachazwa kumosha into akayenza yena kuphela kugcoka clean abe clean umbona ukuthi so umuntu wangi-encourage wangithatha ukuthi intwana yami nayi wave asikhuphuke that's when vele ngacala lapho ngamlandelela ngabona ukuthi okay operate kanjani nga-operate the way operate ngakhona so ngacala lapho vele ukuthanda ubukhothane abodona abobani vele bengibabona ema-video because ngise-Ivory basesowethu angibazi ngibona ukuthi oh hey bajiva mina vele ukujiva uchama hayi into zabo umcedi lezo
awujayi
mina hayi ngiyajiva mara ngijive nawo bomaster ngapha nalezi ezinye ezamfili mina ngilezo ukuthi masifika emcedi balande umcedi kuhlanya abantwana
yilezo okugacela lezi abantwana bese bahlanye siyadonsa Sengisele ngijulukile
injalo.
Ngithi ngibheke emuva naku uTanon sakanyamalela.
Hayi mara uyazi mangidonsela ukuthi naye abe grand. Angitshela phela
Unamanga.
copy lapha.
Wazi kahle uTanon uthi ngiyabasaba boCherry. Nama mina boCherry ayikran.
Awuchami. Le ngizwa ngawo.
Awuyazi.
Angiyazi.
Yeah.
Mcedi yazi igama lakhe like li finalize yonke
Finisha mfethu.
Mfethu ucedane angathi angibuzanga le question mongambuza ukuthi ucedane
Finishana.
Hayi baba ayikho into ngibuza yona yini le
okay bayabuza ukuthi ucedane
uceda abantu nje yami
okay abantu ne
Yeah.
abantu
Nengane.
Injalo
hayi ingane ngingazifakini bafethu
Yeah. Fede, awungitshele la finish. As much as like nip embrace lobo bukhothane kumnandi nani ngithola and ikune advantage ukuthi njengoba usho manje ukuthi bana approacha yini disadvantage like ngokubona kwakho like osasho ukuthi yazi makungalungiseka into ecishe efana nalena izinto zethu Fede nazo zingavuleka disadvantage engathi khona no
into engasho ukuthi like ivimbile ukuthi siphambili
yeah
amanje yami like into ebezisivimbile sizikhahlelile so manje noma ngithi ngiyayicabanga eshangazi ngaba yini ama gatekeeper makamanje awasekho manje phela sisisimele njalo
seniyiphetha ne
yeah akusafani nje before bengizosho ukuthi mfethu indle mina nje ngawathatha so manje ayikho into ezivimbile nje manje siya strike manje yeah
finish abakade ma chance nginento kanje
siyabalanda ngiyathola so manje yabona manje siyakhani manje ngasho ukuthi sikule position lekudala besifuna so angeke ngithi sinama disadvantage nani
awekho
if ngithole maybe last year or last year ngizwe le question ngizokutshela ukuthi hayi khona disadvantage ukuthi ishintwana manje khona le brand engikhawathayo mfethu kunini ngiphusha ngifaka ama billboard lapha ngihlala boma 6 years mara ingane ngithola but no isekho lento
so exploitation kahle yenzakala ku music everywhere kahle
everywhere
Khothane
everywhere as long we industry culture game yafana yonke lento
okay ngicade the reason I was asking that question and bengicade mhlawumbe nizoyiraise riding I feel like iKhothane mina in my own view and in my own perspective ngiyangithola njengoba usho ukuthi like ngabo 2010 to 2012 like iKhothane they were booming but it's kind of like the wave it kind of like it went down ngiyangithola over the years
that's why whoa okay
over the years khuleka siyes over the years so like into engifuna ukuyazi do you guys feel like ubuKhothane kusase like relevant and why
okay ngiyayizwa into yobuzane mina kimi bu relevant ubuKhothane because angazi ngafeel ukuthi aphumela ubuKhothane kimi but feel mina ngiyabona estradeni ukuthi okay abantu abasalandeleli bahamba ngenye wave ngiyangithola sabalandela ezinye izinto semasayidini and the reason alento leyo is because of abantu baba discriminate like iKhothane isibani nadala swathola amagama ukuthi so sesisikhothane namanje unikela nini ubuKhothane dala kabi for ubuKhothane nan Khothane is useless nan sola amagama nje abhlungu dog ngithola so most abanye abantu like nebabuthanda ubuKhothane bayekeliswe yilento leyo because of amagama istrateni sothi nishama ataya navaya lapha banikhuluma kabi uthi caba lentwana lezi incane athacha amarem nabosana isikhathini samanje shama kali nani yabo lezi njalo so abantu ababhaya like into ebaye ukuthi bayekela ubuKhothane yabo sebazivalela so thina ama inspiration abantu for abanye abantu nani sichubekile thina singama influencer for ubuKhothane so mina ubuKhothane so mina ubuKhothane ngikhona
some influencer and you guys are still relevant
because
just that ubuKhothane as a whole as a culture like also ubheka
it's kind of like nabantu bethu mina sethi nami nabantu bami
but mina into engakutshela yona neyiwani uKhothane abuzange ba 10 grade na kanjani number 1 le Khothane zakudala azitholanga le opportunity thina siyitholile
eneyitholile okay
thina number 1 sikwazi ukuperforma uma big event ukuthi trend ngithi South Africa yonke you understand so iKhothane zakudala azitholanga le opportunity leyo and thina we are there to embrace leyo culture le buKhothane you understand asikaze saya down you understand thina sithema singena saphatha sivele sakhuphuka
orengiva
you understand
because still coming to that all right
because already unama event ay3 esiperforme kuwo whereby number 1 on Monday ukazi bekabulala engizwa ngithini beka ufinish abaceda ngabo lobukhotshana
Yeah, yeah.
uyatrenda today ngale video beka yenza ngalelo langa lelo
Yeah.
understand so you can't be saying ukuthi ubukhotshana bu
Yeah.
decrease le bayaphansi
Yeah.
nana siyaphuphuka siyaphantsi
ne-shout out yadingakala to Masterpiece because if
Shout out.
bangasuye lapha kulesa stage ngoba ngibulala nje ngibulala
shout out to him
shout out to Masterpiece
yazi njaka khona
So manje ukhothani buya nge-age na.
My wife
now
ikunale
ma
into
1000
ama
example
Yeah.
now ma 1000
ezisisho sithi
Yeah.
i-culture so
Yeah.
wena ufuna ungitshela ukuthi kule culture yamatsonga or yamavenda kuya nge-age
kuzomela uyekele musuna 70 uma nobe indebele
Yeah.
ayisebenzi
kanjalo
this is the culture
Ngiyakubuza ngoba ngizufinisha la ethi mayihlangana nabantu bambuza ukuthi hawo sewumdala
yeah ilento le beyenza ikhothana esibhayi ukuthi
Uthi
ziyeke
ziyeke.
yabona zizivalele koneni uthi bangikhuluma kanje
Bangikhuluma
uma
kabi,
singina
bangikhawatha.
26
Yeah.
sebathi manje ngimdala for ukhothana ngicone ngiyekele
Yeah.
lento le
Yeah.
yabo which is maybe akhawatha loyo muntu bekangasi isikhothana from the start
Yeah.
akathanda
Bekathanda
izinto
izinto.
nje kuphela yeah.
mina uchama uzongitshela ukuthi
Uyisikhotshane
ngisikhothane ngimdala
ngimdala doda akunakuthi uyayekela
uyangikhuphula ukuthi ngibe nalento lokuthi ngikubasele ukuze ubone ukuthi ngisikhothane kusho ukuthi ngiyakubasela
Yeah.
there's no way ukuthi ungabona impilo yami unganakanga yakho nake yami ukuthi usasesikhothane namanje kusho ukuthi ngiyakubasela
and mina ngibelieve ukuthi khona
And ubaselekile.
Hey.
mina ngibelieve khona umuntu ongabiyekela ukhothana
Ukhothana.
Yeah,
kanjani yini uyisikhothana uyabiyekela
Uyabiyekela.
nongasiyisikhotshana yini into oyekelayo ngoyisikhothana isikhothana njalo ayeke isuke lento le isegazini
Yeah, ne.
straight
Okay. Angiyathole. My chance like angazi niyithole cause like ikhothane there are a lot of things that besizwayo especially like over the years uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe ikhothane sejoin ama drugs
Yeah,
all of
kuyenzeka.
that. Angazi niyithole nina kulezo zinto
Nah.
kuleyo ma situation la.
Nah.
ama
Nix,
situation
yeah.
mina ngithi ngikhulumela on my behalf ne
Yeah.
okay feel it happened yazi leyo nto yama drugs nana yazi yenzwa yini
Yeah.
uyabona eskimini manje ngaba yi20 ne or
Sure.
thingithi manje ngaba yi10
Sure.
i2 yapem
Yeah.
nonke nizoba fucked up angazi if you understand
Yeah,
so thina into esiyenzile like kuze singaweli kuma drugs nanani mawucala ubeta sikhatha off you understand because you can't be smoking mina ngingabhemi bese expect ukuthi nama ngengibheme you understand mangiphuza la lengle everything ngihleli now uyobona le influence ugcina sowenza
Yeah.
ngiphuza this
Uphuza
thing
la
you
ile.
understand so into evele thina yasave kuyo yonke lento ama drugs nanani ukuthi ama surroundings wethu mawucala wenza into ebetter ukukhatha off phela nje yeah
Nah,
so kukuwe wena ukuthi uyayeka lokubhema kwakho or uyavaya because angeke mfethu ngithi ubhema something bese mina ngihlala nawe everyday intuthu iyangishaya khona la obvious nami ngizowela lapha so in order for mina namanye ama-agents ukuthi sibe safe
Yeah.
ekawu zibonela umnyango uzisothe out wena uzibone ukuthi ufunani then mase right
Yeah.
uzositshela simple
nah ivala
Yeah. Wena Fede?
same thing there's no need
Yeah.
ukuthi yeah
Yeah,
ubengivala
yeah,
lento
yeah.
ekhuluma into vele nami bengizoyisho nje
Then also there's been also this tendency like ukuthi mhlambe angithi njengoba nisho ukuthi mawuziphandela there are a lot of ways ukuthi uphande
yeah
angazi futhi mhlambe uyithole ku situation yokuthi senwela mhlambe senihamba nabantu aba wrong noma seniyithole into eni wrong futhi stuff like that.
okay feel kuma younger age feel yeah back then singakabi le ikhothane lezi
Yeah,
sizo
ne?
feel yeah kuyafika lezo stage ukuthi manje sesiyajontsha manje yazi momchita mfethu hayi khona into ezihlangana vele musoganga uyaganga yeah feel mina ngike ngaganga feel nje yabona ukujontsha amafoni nani mina okay yes
Yeah,
abantu kuyafela
yeah.
cause nalento leyo yokujiva feel nasisigera feel sorry for kulawo mebalahlekela izinto but mingazenzi okay sinami ngifuna protection
Sure.
Ngathi uyazisikela kanjani high school khona amachita vele waziyo ukuthi ayidizi ayizinto zalesikela zakanga nanana so mina wakhona ukungilanda vele
bakuthumele ntwana yami
yeah
Bathi
wakhona
abona.
ukungilanda vele eclassini bangitshela ukuthi wena njaya since vele wena umajiva kanje nazi ukuthi vele thina sikadileyo umuntu ozokuhlupha la isikela so naye kwamention amagama amachita
Yeah, no, there's no need. Yeah.
so amachita like mawayenza lento leyo then ke mina feel bangithumela la bengena feel deep lock ngisha umdanso ngimoshe so everyone makabukele leyo nto kuleyo
Yeah.
crowd the crowd
Yeah,
leyo
yeah.
looking bukele ngijive and stuff
Yeah.
bona babe busy vele thutha bona abantu bashiya ikhwama emaklasini nanani khona abanye bashiya amafoni emabhegini nanani yabo bese bajonsha lezo zinto and stuff like that then ke some other days bangihlapulela leyo percentage santo nale lo 200 fethu kuloko kuganga lokhu bengikuyenza nyana fethu so ngasho tendency le hayi izinto eziningi nje
wrong mntwana yami
ziningi nje kuningi nje but then awuganga nje lokho kukhula fethu kuma grade 9 ya lapha but ukukhuleni vele mase ngibona ukuthi hayi into better but nasesigela bengigrand protection background ya bengahlupha wonke umuntu ubekakhala nje esigela bathathela izinto bahlupha babachwaga nanami but mina ngokuyimi nje ya phela machita makhona ukungena eklasini aculisa wonke umuntu ingoma high school wazodla wonke umuntu acule wangene one by one kanje emapokotweni babacovela everything esepokotweni kanje bafika ngibangibrush ikhana bathi shonja smile ngiwana bazibuza abantu eklasi kenzakalani why le bangayibani because of lento lezo zinto so ngasho le tense nje ayingilwelile nje empilweni ayingilwelile
so ayivari vele sonke sindlule kuleyo path whereby sifuna ukwenza izinto ezi-wrong for the sake ukuthi sibe great you understand yabona umuntu ozokutshona ukuthi mina ngikhule ngingatshontshi ngikhule ngingayenzi nini uyashasha
uqamba amanga ne
uqambela amanga unless ifavor ke efele kini ukhule ngocheese you understand but if ever ukhule njengathi sonke sindlula la uchama
unondlule kumapha ama situation
awuchama mina bengikhala amapupa ama-dies yonke lenyakanyaka
tshotshi impompi zabantu
uyabona uyaphetha
impompi
yakanya lo yabona vele ivari fele ukuthi yabona i-coolback amafonu yangithola sininini lapha sikuthumela ema-taxi mina bengigeleza kwesinye isigela uchamne yayicaba le series yizo
yizo
yayicaba mina lesigela bengigeleza kuSouthcham bekwenziwa ama-movie i-movie be-actual life kanje ubhekile uchama
bekwenziwani ke
kulesa sigela sami lesami bekuyinto ukuthi awuchami bongaligcoka ikepisi I understand bongaphathi imali esikhwameni
sure
cause khona enye i-toilet bebayibiza nge-dark city mawungena lapha uchama bayakubhabhadisa uyangithola mawungena lapha mawunganamali uyabhabhadisa ngicele comprehensive school sengimane ngiyalibiza nje but bengingamelanga ngilibiza yabona kulesa sikela bezibuya uchama bekwenzeka izinto zasema-movini whereby uthola ukuthi manje nathi sigcina ngena kuleyo industry yabo webha uyabona ukuthi angeke bahlale bangithathele imali mina ngifike kotshontshela abanye abantu obviously mabathathe yami nami ngifike eklasini ngibhathula i-school bag ngihambe ngisibambisa umacala vava
sure
understand then siyazi ukuthi sine-bayari sinenini siba-grand into vele sonke sindlula kuyo lelo ivari sonke sindlula lapha as long uphanda ufana nami sonke simphethe umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi mina bengingatshontshe isikela yakushayashaya uchama
bengiyi-PK
yakushayashaya uchama amakwali vele fele futhi acala khona la isigela
but sinasifunde elokishini
elokishini vele that's where you see the real shit happens
cabanga wena manje baceda ukuthathela leyo chendra nomagoga kakunike yona ngilunch kumele uyogawula unazaka iplan yini kwamele umoshe mongamoshi bamosha wena injalo
manje impompi nintshontsha kuphi
impompi angazi ithatha impompi angazi ithatha lo
uthi akantshela ngeke kantshela
vele eqalisa nanani yabo uzasiyenza obviously mare impompi bengewathatha apha manje ukuyothatha impompi yomuntu mfethu
ikhile boyikalisa
obviously mfethu yazi sinini siphathula ibhuni lapha salistrip ngithola sinini emajardini makunamazenke makunani sathatha soqalisa into khona leyo uchama mare impompi angiyazi yazuya uchama kusho ukuthi wena ube udala lemkhulu
angaze ngafika lapho njalo
but do you think like is there something that you guys like enifundile from that whole situation okay yenza ke nanani but ikhona like into mhlambe enifundile from that and ngathini mhlambe kumuntu naye mhlambe obukele mhlambe osayenza lezo zinto lezo because mhlambe nibonile ukuthi but lento lebengekho green sikhona into ukuthi uyenze but maso uyenzile after some time urealize ukuthi no man ufeel guilty ukuthi no man that thing enhleke bengekho green yazi
mina ukring ivari nje abona kulento lezi zokutshontsha nana sheshe ngafuna ukuzikhipha eli yangithola
ne
because of mine ngithe mengiqala ukuzeka ane mesengibona like mesingeaddicted ifile ukujontsheni le ndaba zamafoni vele mesengihlezi ukuthi hayi manje ama-outs wami nawo la mesengisurrounded now khona indawo mesiploma kuyo file eKarai 14 because kuma-podcast awubhanga ngihlezi ngisho so uma mengizoyisho kuba ngathi manje ngiyayithanda vele ngifuna ukuyisho sekuleyo ndawo lawo machita angathi eyiphi lawo machita bengiploma nawo like no machita ukuthi manje atshontsha amafoni nabo na it's like Mrs addicted ukuthi sikova amafoni sidla ngayo imali sibiza abantwana siphuza leyo mali so migcina into le bigcina singkhawatha ngayekela feel yabo and ema kuyekela ukuthi vele ngiyekela ukuploma namachita feel ngazisayita but then noma singekelile kanjalo igama lithi finisher nje yami yo alibuye ngibuyisele ngibonise izinto ezibhaya azwa ngisho kanjalo because of my ngisanokungena inkingeni noma ngingekho ngithola just off because of igama lami livele umuntu ikhanda qala so ngithende kakhulu to the point ukuthi noma ubani silata kiwe khona but finish ngithola like igama lami lisekhanda lo muntu kuwonke umuntu endoda shima khona out bayibamba angazi that khona shima bathi beyitshontsha TV imagine bathi beyitshontsha house breaking phela le bathi beyitshontsha TV out khona ithi beyino finisher bangilanda emzini njami shima bangilanda emzini bangilanda abaphethe igani njami spam vele menthi igani spam baspreacher khaxa bafuna mina bankokotela endlini khaxa bengiphuma ngibhekane nespam bathi ufinisher siyahamba nawe nasanuzoni sorry for inhlamba mara njami bangiqoba from emnyango njami ngava yo shima yabona endlini sebayakhala abantu bami kenzakalana hayi mina ngiyazi TV njami sengifela ukuthi ngofinisha nje nokuthi nje ngiyatrend igama lami fika kucala emntwini ekhanda ngithola le out mengifika lapha idumbile ingaka edakiwe ngithola manje ngiyayibuza le manje ngiyayazi la uthi lehlala le 14 ngiyayazi ngiyayibuza ekawo manje wena uthi mina ngishontsha ama TV bathi nodinga ukukhuluma ukubhaya basivaya so basicova kulelo langa bama basicova kanjalo basivayisa sakule ndlu le mengifika lapho basifaka egarage like singena kanje from guy lapha kanje mesingena lapha egarage mengena abantu bangcunu bamile la bayibo my 4 bathi nawe khumula sinayi kahle ba read for ukushaka ukuthi sikhiphe iqiniso ukuthi TV iva enothe mina TV yangiyazi from the start bengizilelela emzini ngibuya intweni zami bekumnandi la bengikhona semene ngikhuluma indaba zama TV engazazi ekawo shimanga ngabatshela ukunina bangiringa uthi abafethu akusimi nani nabazali vele bakubangiringela antwambe bekakhona bekakhona the obvious mayeka manje angiyekela bangikhipha ngesibhamu endlini ngithola uyilo wavana nathi vele angiringela asho ukuthi hayi umuntu lo since akhona la
even envana namaphoyisa
amaphoyisa even la the time ali yabontshe so manje mesifike kulelo charity the outs le ethi mina ngitshontshile idakiwe la uthi le ithi bengikhona na isikhathi itshontsha idakiwe la uthi le mesifika lapha sichange iduri hayi angasofinisha umuntu sakabiza umunye umuntu wabona ayabona uthi hayi man uthi le ibiza amagama apha yabona sengifela ukuthi mina igama lami lifike ecala ekhandeni la yabona uthi so le gama lelishi ngihambisa into ezibhaya nje yami ngifuna ukucamba ma seven abaceda ukulizwa lento iringa abayishamo lapho yabona bathi ngigcoke vele ngasinda kanjalo
wakhumulile
bese ngikhumulile bese ngisele ngeanda njalo yakutshela njalo
wabanjayivisa ngedlithi
bazokushaya for into engekho njalo
into engekho
yabo so ngilakhi ukuthi umntwana uthe akusufinish umuntu kanje wayela khuluma kanje edakiwe bathi wena ushayela ngabe sesibukela nomntwana abantu le kude kanje baqhubeka bayishaya bathi wena uzoyikhipha iTV bathi umntwana agcoka sorry nani ngagcoka impahla zami ngavala
so if it wasn't for that guy ukuthi ashintshe story nani so wena bowushaywa that day out
ngoba nginezinye izilonda eziserious ngoba nami maybe bangikhiphile liyo1 king lawa phansi
shit
njengambe kungiwa same day ngicela ukubona umuntu odumba ubuso bonke kanje leyabiza ngiyayela la kude abanga mina yo
isingayela kudeni
isingayela kude leya yo same thing ngibone into mengicala ukubona into enganje njalo ngoba i trauma for mina yaba shimane into le yangenza ukuthi ngifuna lokurelaxa nje ukuphuma
Yeah,
ngaphandle
ne?
ukuthi
Yeah.
ngibonwe na social media ngibe
Yeah,
distance na kuwe because of manje the way ngitrenda ngakhona manje siyenza ukuthi abantu manje bahlala bacabanga mina noma bayenza into ezibhedayo ngaphandle yabo
bowutrendelani kantwena
mosha dance ngithi ngisho like trend indoda yini igama leli lingilandela izinto ezibha malokhu ngijive vele obvious mengiya like misina lento leyo ukuthi like kaslami foslokaz bengisana ukurondoma like igele kanje after school ngifike maybe bathi khona umuntu kanje nakanje uplan kule skele sa
that's why
so it's like lami mina ngifuna vele like ihlala vele straight it's number 1 foslokaz yonke yeah so mengibalande igele amachito wacala badoni woshisa vele foslokaz kuye samlana sasela saqeda ngawo ngiyakufinish kuma ngeside so like ngikuyinto enjalo so bengithanda kakhulu yabona yeah so ichiri everything be wela kimi kakhulu galo ya bengasinto ngathi vele bengikhalela yo
so yabona ukuthi abanye abantu kahle abanye abantu futhi in this life esiphila kuyo bashayela into engekho baboshela into engekho
yeah yabona
enhleke
yeah it's because of igama so manje yabona ne surrounding nabantu ohlala nawo phela like nimimoya ebhaya ngithola like ugcina usilandele into ezibhaya nje ezibhedayo so nje ngavela ngiavoida yonke into njalo
ayifela into ongayazi
yeah ungayifela into ongayazi
uyifela ubhantitela into ongayazi into ongayenza
Yabona
into
ukutrenda
ongathintanga nokuyithi
ukusending into
that's why
njalo
ukuthi wena bo around abo finish uyaganga so obviously ufinish amakaganga bathi indoda ngeke ugange wena keep i-squad sakho mo keep i-squad sakho uDanone lo wazekela kudala zonke lezo no Danone nabo bani sisilapha phakathi sonke sengiboshiwe mina ngento engayazi bengilele mara sengiboshiwe manje
something like that yeah untwana yena ngiyamazi ayengitha ngimazi ngiyamazi yeah because vele mekangibona vele ngiqala ikaslake 14 so yeah njalo so lekama leli angasho mfana ningidlulise entweni ezibhayi
but wena yini uyifundile wena Fade like in this whole situation nje njengoba bengibuzile nani okuganga and all of that
mina chama into engifundile ukuthi in this life akwamelanga ugijime ngepace yabangani and understand because of masabantu asalwa ngokufana and asinikwanga ngokufana so mina mangizofuna ukugijimisa ipace ka finish ngizikhawacha mina self because I don't know ufinisha wenzani you understand so in order for me ukuthi ngibe grand ngikwazi ukumaintain life yami I must go with my pace I understand because of mangizothi yo ufinisha unekokota elisona so nami sengifuna la kokota la ka finisha ngento like fast ngiyazikhawathi so mina one thing I've learned ukuthi like patience it's a good virtue ngesilungu bayibiza kanjalo nje ukuthi patience nje be patient for whatsoever ufuna ukuyenza isikhathi mase right you'll get everything you want that's what I learned mina vele if ever finish wenza kahle shayela izandla ucham well done keep it up my time will come you understand because of mawuzocala ufuna ukuzifaka kuma competition unnecessary ogcina wena uzikhawacha ogcina sowenza futhi izinto ezirong webhaye bengamelanga uzenze lezo zinto lezo you understand into mina ngifundile ukuthi nje yonke into inesikhathi sayo ngimele isikhathi sami mase sifikile ngizokadla and mangikadla ngiyolimaza
and no one will stop you
no one will stop me
okay I know ngiyakuthola Thami awungitshele this is not for trend but culture dog what is it about Thami
it's all about dance nje I'm finished the King of Mosh
ne
so lento leyami bengiyenzele for wonke umuntu ojivayo abantu because abantu babhaya like mesebazivale and abaningi abantu abashaya dance ngishaya ngithola so mesingenzela for ukuthi like iculture wonke umuntu ojivayo khona like ukuvela ku event noma ufuna ukungibona na ube khona because into le bekuyi ukuthi ngiyakinterviewa sakhuluma ungitshele the way wena umuntu ungakhona na then after ke uyangibonisa ukuthi sona udume ngani angithola when and is dance akhona strictly Mosha dance so into bengiyenzela for a culture ukuthi everyone abe free when it comes to kule dance
bekacommodate umuntu kahle kahle
afike ukuthi azokhona ukujiva bemnandi yabo so ngiyenzile but then ayithi ngistopile sazochubeka yabo ngiyenzile ngayenza then kwafika izinto ezibhayi nje ama challenges in life ayimisa kancane because bengasithoni isikhathi ukuthi yabo khona ukuyenza njalo
so ukhathela ukutrenda no cause uthi this is not for trend So ukhathele
This
safuna
is not
trend.
no, like my man, angithi angiyenzeli for ukuthi my sifuna ukutrend. Ngiyangizwa. Ngiyenzela ukuthi iculture uthanda ukuphela.
Cool.
Uthanda ukuphela.
Yeah,
Ngiyangizwa. That's why igama lami ngothando ngiyalandelela. Uthanda ukuphela. Ngiyangizwa. So yeah, ngiyenzela ukuthi nje abantu nje bafile.
ukuthi umuntu angabi nalento ukuthi mina ngiyojivela ukuthi ngiyotrenda kuphela.
Yeah, sure.
Just nokuthi mawujiva
It's also for the culture.
Yeah.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Yeah.
So that's why ngisho kanjalo.
Okay, Chongjele for because you had so many guests. I think 4 if I'm not mistaken or 5.
Yeah,
So kulama guests now, which one was your favorite? Because ngibukelele yakho no King Danger. Hey King Danger, hey wenze izinye la. Shout out to King Danger wenze izinye la ntanga.
Just manje yazinto le liyabe benjani. Like lento la competition kahle
Yeah.
ngiba ngithola. So ufike ecala like uba nalento le yokuthi ngibulala ngagrand makazobona yobusu.
Yeah.
Because umuntu ufika ubusu ufuna ukubulala lo kucala. So manje yabo ndebe ngicala ngakhona mekumele ngicale ngomuntu ongaziyo ukuthi hayi le hayi. So lo ngicale ngayo nama ukwatile ukuthi ntwana ngisafuna ukuvela iphinda nini lento le yangithola.
Yeah.
Because of my uyabona ukuthi abanye abantu babulala the way mina ngabulala ngakhona ngithola. But then ngasho ukuthi favorites angeke ngikhetha izinja zami zonke ngithola.
Yeah, champ, there's no way ukuthi uzohlala eMaking.
Hayi baba. There must be one baba. Hayi baba. Hayi baba. Hayi baba. Wena wokuqala umvumile uKing Danger la. Le ano King Danger umvumile wathi ayintwana. No yi hayi ntwana
King
ngiyakusalute.
Danger ubulele.
Yeah, umvumile la, umvumile ku video straight. Sizwile la masibukele ukuthi no umvumile untanga.
Okay, feel ayizi3 phela lezi lapha izibulele.
Yeah.
Ubani umunye obusi4?
So mabayi3
Okay, bheka ungithi uPutong, uKing Danger, uSpura Mosha. Khona lo busi4. Umathwiza ngishayina interview. Mathwiza
Khona
ngimshaya.
le yaseZambia futhi lebo.
Oh, na yiyo le ubani uSpura Mosha. Oh, alligator. So Z4 Mathwiza simfaka siyesa shaya dance video straight ay interview. Okay, feeling ngasho kule for the alligator produce umuntu oshama busy. Singambeke sayidini feli maka kubulele naye. Yeah, Siburamosh. Wakashaya izinto Siburamosh. Hayi, yabona ngifaka izokwatela lezi. Ayike sangilike lezi phela. Ayike sirepost, ayike salike. Okay, feli. Athi siphume no
mina ngivana uKing Danger champ.
King Danger ubulele.
Uyabona lathi ibulele
Yeah, uyishayina.
Kanti uthi my challenge
le
tali.
yakhe mfana.
uPutong ngimbonile uPutong.
Yeah, uPutong ubulele mara manje sesikhuluma ngoKing Danger webhayo phela now ushilo wathi strictly kick more shot dance. So lapha nje yami beka
Fele ne energy ka King Danger fele beyibhala.
Yeah.
Okay, fele because nani namnikeza ama credits. Okay, King Danger fele.
King Danger ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Asenziwe inhleke like ama battle eKhothana gents. Asekhona nje.
Like ibhethle njani?
Like
Landwana njenga before.
Yeah, like before.
Isekho no.
Okay,
ayibuyeli kulento leyo ukuthi
Yokuthi uyachitha nani.
Testament.
Yeah, ibuyela la. Isekho no.
Okay, no, ngiyanizwa gents. And then tell me about your music journey. Iqale kanjani ukuthi like nisho music because nginibonile futhi angithi for first okhiphile igibele ibus.
Yeah, EP
and then phakathi la.
Sure.
So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi iqale nini enhleke lento music yona and what was the reason behind it? It was the love or it was a culture for you Khotsana because futhi nishaya like music wenu vele weKhotsana which is pop.
So mina one thing I can tell you ne.
Yeah.
Lo music lo
Yeah.
wenzelwe for a purpose whereby ukuthi okay khona ihip hop.
Yeah.
Ihip hop inabantu bayajivela. Khona ikwaito inabantu bayajivela. So nathi sinento yethu ethi ubukhothane nabo ikhothane kwamele zibe nento ezizoyijivela, understand? So ngasho ukuthi yonke lento iqale la whereby so okay fere singabombhocosheni let's do into kanje masingangena emayikini sacula ingoma zeikhothane ingoma ezihambelana abayikeri I understand ikhothane that's the way they dance I understand. So ngasho ukuthi iqale khona la ukuthi okay fere even though engacalanga la cause iqale sithi mina ngokuya ngami siqale sithi siyadlala ngalento esiyenza like sifuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani only to find out ukuthi abantu they are loving it
sure.
then yaqala khona lapho yakhuphuka till today.
Okay, feel lento le yaqala ngegame nje yami so
Okay.
like from dala igame like bekumele ube nengoma esikimini
Yeah,
senu
yeah.
izophaselela igama
Igama
lesikimi
lesikimi.
so
Okay.
so maybe ngisho singama okay singama black Italian with shy trick ama black Italian
Ele
black
representa
Italian
ni
hilo
Libathile,
belizini
Steve.
singasho back then
Yeah,
before
yeah,
manje
yeah,
late manje
yeah.
yabona like back then bekunjalo ukuthi everyone made abe nengoma
Yeah.
kungasi into yokuthini sithathele ekhanda
Yeah.
ukuthi sifake ezi-genre yobukhothana
Yeah,
ingoma nje ukuthi sikhalisa emabhasini and stuff ngithola okay kwaba isikhathi kwenzakala ukuthini kushaya abantu boma 2019 to 2020 2019 late
Yeah.
ya kulapho vele i-genre khona siqala vele sithatha serious ngithola
serious.
into ayenzakala ukuthini ufafasa kanjengoba sikakara ethembisa wenza ukuthini nakaphethe bani khona lezi bazibiza ngama-TLS abo-Babyface nabo-Alligator and stuff khona i-track leli Dwanga Maboom yalicaba Dwanga Maboom dwa lisibazo dwa
Yeah, I think like la doom track
la trend fucked up
Yeah.
la trend kakhulu lelo track shimali lelo track njengoba litrenda kanjalo wayenzakala ukuthini asiyabona ukuthi hayi bafethu
lento le
shimali benginofasta semdeme akangitshela untwana uthini ntwana lento le yabona kenzakalani trendwa ngeyi-track ntwana yabona njengoba kuyenzakala kanje and khona lentwana lo Babyface lapha mesingaphatha yona singaba mnandi feel because nasishayile i-dance mesingafaka lento ethi emandleni sifake no-music so yaphambili ntwana feel wadonsa u-Babyface wadonsa nami because vele ngithi ngimumacala
Yeah.
savaya sayakala ithembisa first time yami ukufika ethembisa ilelanga vele sizorecorda le genre le umbhoco
Okay.
ngithola ichizo nakuyona kudala yona bekhona
bekhona
Yeah.
but
dala bekhona
besiyenza
but bengasi yi-genre ukuthini ithathwa serious
Yeah, nanokuthi ni consistent and
Yeah.
lesimane siyenza ngoba kuyayenza
bekuculiwa nje
lingana ne-direction
ngithola lingana
Into ukuthi, okay,
direction kushawa
keep some
ama-distract
of-
nanani
Yeah.
kungasi into straight but then from that day nje untwana mesifika kada sakwenye out so putika fast afela ngithola
Yeah.
ya mesifika la leyo out ifela yenzani ayenza ukuthi sitshela ukuthi semdenke sikhona ukurecorda cabanga sisuke for slokas siyakara ithembisa sijabula ukuthi soshaya i-genre entsha ya mara first time ukurecorda i-track lizombhoco sarecorda nge-laptop ukukhumbula kwami kahle ya
Yeah.
laptop straight nge-mic ye-laptop and track lakhona la trend afela yangithola C3 kuyimi ufafasa no-Babyface so sayifuna emamayikini vele sibona ukuthi hayi ngama-laptop kanjani ayicindezeli kahle mesifika la sabhayize siyafela first day okay kubuyela kwethu sabuyela sishayini i-album which is mekuyi-TLS lama 2K mukhona u-TLS lama 2K yabo kulelo album salishaya ma 2020
Sure.
ya shimazange silale njami iviki lonke ya
Nispan.
sisipana shaya album njami TLS lama 2K lelo album la trend njami yo ale album shimanga libona lihamba ne-album lakakabza kanje lenza kanje ya yabona ukuthi ya manje ya kabza the small clean shimanga ngibona ukuthi azi nento le powerful ngithola ya kulawa ma years lawo 2020 be powerful kakhulu feel lo music feel sawushaya siphetha abo Vivid u-Babyface abo-Alligator siphetha abantu ababhaba o-GT ngithola abo-Katlila ngithola abo-Takunzi bangekho-TLS lama 2K bangekho phethe lawo majita feel ngithola
Yeah, sure.
ya lapho i-genre vele aqala cover serious because of my sikuboniwe sikhona ama-album sishaya ama-CD sisabhayisa ngithola then from lapho ke ngasho ukuthi i-genre iqale la
Njengoba manje sanidropa even na ku Spotify yabona manje seniyenze inhlek like nay elevate inhlek this thing is a culture njengoba nisho gents.
mina ngitshela ukuthi manje eParis they know me but mina angazi ngile they know me ukuthi kunalo muntu okanje
Kwenzakaleni eParis bakwazi kanjani asabe
ziyatrend ingoma zethu ngale stop
serious?
kara khona u-DJ feel angifuna ukuyibiza ngegama cause omunye nawo sikhawathaya leyo DJ feel ngifuna ukumbiza
hayi
manje leyo DJ manje usha
ibani lo.
hey DJ uyazazi DJ
angeke mbizeni
silo yazi uzoyibukela nalento le
Yeah.
leyo DJ feel ushaya i-track zethu kara feel zompoco which is abebongkara
bathanda lesigubhu sethu
yeah yabona isigubhu sethu akara into epowerful njalo too much nematlapini yabona umashaya umbhoco nje bafaka i-track zethu bahlala kuhlanga kakhulu-ke kulahlela amabhiya elini kuyangiwa nje kara ngombhoxo so kara bayasicava ama-newspaper kara ayaphuma kuvela thina ubuso bethu nananananana bathi nesikazi sifike kara angithola but kara bayasicava mina mengaya kara bangangibiza
Kusamele gents.
mengaya bangangibiza
itrip ekuthi thina sizoorganizela yona
Yeah, kusamele niye gents. No, kusamele niye.
Uthi ubani?
Support i-huge ngale.
Yeah,
So,
huge,
you
kara.
guys kusamele
Manje
niye.
France.
ukhawatha kanjani u-DJ ngoba uyanipromote
u-DJ uyabheda u-DJ mengakutshela ivare from scratch
Yeah.
Wenzani?
ayikuphuma amanye amafayile ntwana yami so nje asimane sithi bheka
leyakusinto
abantu basikhawathile fucked up because of siyatrenda ngale uyaona emagazini
maka nawo suyayifuna satrenda karas kuma-magazine thina sikaya sikakayi
asikakayi ngale
so there's no need ukuthi siye deep ngaleyo ndlela
uyangunderstand
yeah
Nehayo na yi.
asilazi even a 10 rand 10 cent it's 10 cent nje
Yena is making money ngale ngane.
a lot
beside lokho leyo mali beyifika ne-South Africa ngeke sifike lapho ukuthi beyifika kuba
asitsho la
lapho
mara sikho la
Ubeyifika nala.
ebeyifika
Shit.
kuza thola amandla okusiposta nani obviously khona la
angeke kumane upost
abantu
nje.
ungabazi
Yabo.
Yeah.
can't be
so into esingafuni lokhu sibuyele emuva abantu because every
because
time
sindlulile la
everyone mekafika ku-podcast uringa ngaleyo nto so that's why sizama uku-avoida manje yeah
Yeah. Okay. Okay, no ngiyanthola gents. Benayo like i-influence mhlawumbe umuntu like enanibukela kuye ubekacula umphoqo noma akekho.
hayi akekho
Akekho ne?
influencer hayi
Yeah.
abayithi izinto
So ama-influence yini kahle
lento le
Zompoqo.
eyethu layilenge eyethu
that's why mina ngikhona ukuthi i-genre le yami
yeah le chow
Yami,
chow
Jane.
le
keke umuntu ozothi yangihluthela yona
yeah
next.
le chow le
Yeah.
cause
Yeah, ne?
Genre
le ingqondo zethu
Yeah.
straight.
uchempethu masingathi
siyali
ekaw mongazinikeza isikhathi wamamela umphoqo like uzobona ukuthi hayi man we are going somewhere la yeah we are going somewhere
and manje umphoqo manje uchangile bangena ku-TikTok manje kuyanyeya
yanyiwa akudlalwa
yanyeya manje so sinezinye izinto nje sikhona ne-genre le babiza nge-underground umphoqo loya leyo umphoqo loya sukuthi manje nje bayisawundisa nje buskringa nyana nakanjena nje umphoqo
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then khona omunye music enomamelayo like besides umphoqo ma gents.
yiyo le genre lesikutshela ngayo bathi underground
Underground.
Fede-
Which is similar to umphoqo.
yeah
Yeah.
fere mina ngasho ukuthi maybe nepiano
Piano.
Yeah,
i-
obviously
isimamela-
piano, obviously,
imamela
piano,
wonke
South
umuntu.
Imamela wonke umuntu.
awuna chance
awuna chance
Oh,
yeah but other than that kube kuya ngathi kube sizimamelela umbhoqo wethu lo suculayo
hip hop next.
mfethu hip hop besimamela
At least
lokho
igqomu.
Besimamela
hip hop
lokho.
khona ama-track esiwalalelayo
Okay.
obvious but hayi ukuthi into esingasho ukuthi
Oh yeah.
singakutshela ngithi sidebate
Yeah,
ngayo
ngikwenza
futhi
ngayo.
namhlanje
Okay gents, there's this one thing enhle kama gents mayela especially nje ikhothana nje because ikhothana ebezila I think ziyabaleka nje.
abobani
in one
wemuthi
hands.
ikhothana
Yabo.
abuba
There's one thing esingayishiyi out, relax. There's one thing esingayishiyi out. Yangithola which
Yeah.
is ile brand enigqokile ma gents.
Sure, showcase.
Was Amatala. Yeah. Like when did you guys became a part of, we don't wanna dwell much on Was Amatala, but we wanna know when did you guys join or became a part of Was Amatala?
yo anjam since from day one
Since from day one
since from day one iqala isuka
from the
nathi
first store.
from the first store mina ngikhuluma okay fede
Okay.
ngikhulumele mina
nami
isayidlana.
uzokhulumela iside la
Yeah.
mina from the get go
Yeah.
awucham khona into kanje asiyipush
From a bus stop out here.
till today
Lokuhamba na.
yeah till today
Okay.
okay mina esayidini lami fele amaplan noma it-Was Amazali brand fele iqala untwana ufafasta fele ngithola
Yeah.
which is bekana botanona basithembisa mina bengisefuslokazi yangithola so into ebisiseparathile namajita mina ngisefuslokazi
Yeah.
ngiphusha ispan
Yeah,
kara
yeah.
amajita kara
Yeah.
yangithola so mengihlala ngitravel every day
Yeah.
because obvious inyoku le
Yeah,
njalo
yeah,
ngiyethembisa from fuslokazi is 100 rand yangithola
Yeah.
so meke ngikhipha 100 rand iviki lonke
Yeah.
yangithola so yeah bengivimbekile kala so untwana mayicala ibrand utshela abontwana fele kuqala nani stuff then ke ibrand mina ngibone vele untwana sekayiposta vele sasho ukuthi hayi mawuyilo angijethi untwana ngicabanga ukushaya ibrand kanjena ngocabanga ukuthi izohamba lento le ami nathi mfana noma yini uyazi ngiwa phambili
Yeah.
untwana fele ngabona sekayiposta kwaba ufezela kucala ibhaya
yeah
kwaba ufezela ibhaya i-t-shirt vele nawo post utayishaye Was Amazali yangithola yaqala kanjalo ibrand then untwana wavula istore which is leso store kwasebenza uNtwana noFezela lapha eshop. Then from there kwaba i-movement ngithola
evayayo futhi
strong. Abantu vele obvious namafena bias.
obviously mfethu king of Mosha makazogqokoza amazalo unamafena engayiki uDanone unamafena engayiki kufezela fast Steve like everyone unama-followers wakhe
yaqala kanjalo file movement. So mina bengiya ngokuvakasha kala file ngifike eshop ngibona kayiyanyiyo bafethu yaphusha
simatopchile lo sikuwethu simatopchile
asita lo
yazi simatopchile
ukuthi mina ngiyafela ukuthi mina bengiqala
awu kuphela ukuthi mbokana yena advantage angithi because bekaseduzana
no beside that impilo umuntu lo simatopchile sokuwethu
yasoka
yimi ngimtshela ukuthi intwana yami kuchorichore kanje safe kuchorichore kanje ku safe le chorichore yami le mawula u safe yazi intwana yami
awujabulile ayitholile cha yeah so yeah into yenzakala leyo file via brand so ngithe file mengifika kada ngilokhu ngivakasha untwana vele wangicela ukuthi intwana since file u King of Mosha file kulungishayela iprome one sime ngifika kada vele wathi untwana file ngikhethe impahla nani stuff sime ngifika vele ngiyibona ishop ku nice file ngithola sashaya ivideo something ivideo yakhona trend njalo first video abantu sebangibuza impahla sithola kafana nani which is yona beyithengisa ishop
but now
ufake nyani
obviously influence now because we influencer ngithi influencer for sure
in the first video cabanga trend file ngahlaka nami utha file shoot kanyiwe ku brand yabona abantu tholakala then movement ngancanya from lapho ke until kusha late buma November ngithola ngamove kada yifustokazi ngingana Ntwana efonini bese communicate with Ntwana ngcono ngize kada because une family file Kempton Park ngithola ngamove to Kempton Park ngifike Kempton Park ngahlala kuma isikhathinyana kwenzeka lento ezenzakalayo then I had to ukuthi ngimove ngibuyela ngiyevele straight ema 7
la ngokadokche khona kanti angari
straight kada ikasaba Ntwana file
akafuna ukuvuma
uzozavuma
yikho lento eringa ngithanda ngiyekala ikaslabo untwana ngasithola indawo yokuhlala la ngicasha khona na today file yeah ngiploma nge1 file ngafika la ngaploma la ngaba mnandi file which is ke ngaqala ukuncedisa amajita ngeshop yabona sinoperate yabona ama shops wethu yabona sincedisa ithembisa sinini ngavanya ijuzi ngithola ngaqala kanjalo file ukuhlala file straight kule brand level zamatsala.
And there's something of a faster akayisho lesikhathi be-agents like uthe into ayithandazelayo ukuthi engathi angathola abantu abaloyal and I'm glad ukubona ukuthi enhleke like ukuthi nibambene kanjani and it shows ukuthi lento le that he came here and he spoke about and ayisho ukuthi into ayifisa into eyenzakalayo vele ngithola because nisuka naye fair ngithola so it's not simple ukuthi mhlawumbe uzothola ukuthi oyiwani uyasala igado liyahamba
ngithola especially njengami mina ngisho untwana ngisuka naye from scratch
phela nina you want fantastic band fantastic tour angithi
yeah ushilo ne yabona ucabanga from there so ngeke ngizomane ngibe i-betrayal today because of my sesibadala so kuye umuntu mawe mhlawumbe move enzani umkhawathayo so mina
betrayal ama betrayal ayenzeka nangu Floyd noma lemba betray
no yazi la lengiyayenzwa
yini nevar makayi kimi
njalo yacaba la lengiyayenzwa yini
ikhandwa yini
ikhandwa lento ukuthi like ungafuni ukubona umjita wakho enza kahle
ne
understand yabona nonke mangabe nina mindset ewali switch on nonke awucham singaba i4 or sibe i5 but angeke strand sonke
alright lapho
alright awucham
it can never happen
you understand singaba i5 kanje abantu bafike bathanda ufinish so thina as ama-agents kwamele senzeni support ufinish ufinish amakapop Danone upopile mfethu so yinto thina ela emajideni it's naleyo mentality lokuthi makupopoe wanwethu sonke sipopile mangabe kutrenda lo supporta lo mangabe kutrenda lo supporta lo so into esiboostayo into esiboostayo isikhathi esibhayo ukuthi sinalento lokuthini sinte one sonke makuyisikhathi sakafezela isikhathi sakafezela makuyisikhathi sakafinisha isikhathi sakafinisha makuyisikhathi sakaDanone isikhathi sakaDanone makuyisikhathi sakafafast isikhathi sakafafast imentality esinayo thina ukuthi machance angeke sonke sithole isinkwa ngesikhathi esiyi-1 isinkwa kwamele siphume ngumuntu oyi-1 masiphele isinkwa sakalo obvious kuyofika sakabani esomunye umuntu you understand which is into vele senza ukuthi na today sibe sigrand sikwazi ukusipanisana and the one thing about us sahloniphana kunesikhathi sokudlala kunesikhathi sesipana you understand kunesikhathi sokudaka
Nesikhathi sabantu.
ayivar lelo
Ngathi yahlupha le.
yeah angasho kanje lo mcedi lo yeah injalo cha
Yeah, no, ngiyanthola Jens. Ngiyanthola.
Right.
Okay, let's go back to Igebeli Bus, Gafafasta, which he dropped like a month ago. There's this song, Idlala ngeTalent. Like bengibheke caption like yengoma and yangithinta ngaba like oh damn like enhleke like that's just facts like yazi sometimes why not ungadlala ngale talent like mawunalo
Sure,
like
feature
yabona une
there.
talent
Yeah,
look jive out him but you are Spanish. Tell me about that song my gents because I
Lelo
think
track fede intayenzakala fede bekunontwana ishop fede ngizona. So mina ngumuntu like unama beats nabanga nama beats aphay for mina.
yeah sure
So mengiphethe snippet nyana nje.
yeah
Ibeats nyana elincane fede ngizona. So ntwana ngimzwisi ntwana izona ibeats le ntwana ntwana hlanye shop
Yeah.
That's how finally idea actually.
Yeah.
So sinalento le ukuthi mesiphethe beats sithanda ukushaya ama singalong.
yeah
Sisidudele nje lokho.
yeah
Ntwana fede waza ne chorus vele. Ntwana bekade dlalela ngitalent sa flex aphalu kuzova kanjani.
Yeah.
Ayi ngithi amfana liyahamba sisidisha.
yeah
Angithola abantu sikhuthazana fede
Yeah.
uthi hayi li on into le fede angithola. Sifuna ibeats vele liphelele silithola ibeats liphelele siba studio sile record the track which is the track that is it kulo fede. Na sidisha I track phume libe mnandi libe on fede
yeah
angithola.
sure
Njengoba li on kanjalo itrack ifele ya sibona ukuthi hayi first track lethu le lishisayo njalo and which is what trend ngithola
yeah
lelo track mesifuna ukukhipha ezisingile masabana le mentality yokuthini bese ukhipha le track lezi singile leshi kuzoba ngathi manje yabona sijutsana siyi2 which is the general esibabha esinamachita wena side ngone shine EP
EP once
ngithola ya kuleli EP kube nzima ukuthi sishaye EP ngikutshele nje
usho kanje
kube nzima Mele se record sibiza bojabulani Jabulani usegroundini
ntwana yabona legama liza nengozi
Okay, hi,
tshela
okay.
serious
ngeke sibiza
umzekahle abantu basiqala usushile
ungilimaza manje uyaqeda lo muntu
ke sido
Uyakufinisha, man.
Tano kumele sibiza botanoni kuba nzima botanoni badlala amabhola lena which is very I understand yancanga idisc
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
ntwana that's why I should develop igama lakhe laqala kutona then comes Sultanon and stuff like that. So ntwana like yabona kumele sishama ama-album kuba nzima ukuthi sishaya album yabona sirekhode na okay fine shaya second track which is Gibeli Bus straight ifile yabo Gibeli Bus lishaya sidonse bani uPodlozi which is uPodlozi umuntu vele uthanda vele umpoco vele yabo i-artist vele lifuna vele ya kuzibona siphambili ngompoco
yeah
ntwana afike fele sidishaya lelo Gibeli Bus ifile yena fele kube umuntu oza ne-chorus Gibeli Bus siyahamba bongana mazalo yasala ngithola bafast lichubekise file yabona sikashabo ngithola ay salvibela file ngithola mina ngisho ukuthi amachita file sinisha ichorus kanje athi ngishaya iverse mina file ngithola ngibhalile bawolok bashaya ichorus kanje singibhalile fast ngithola ya ngishaya lelo verse file ngibona ama gear 1 ngithola mhlange nami file ngithola ngilibamba abantwana abathi liyahamba file yabona laphuma kanjalo iGibeli Bus ngithola then the tracks alishaya vele nezinye intwana lapha file mesidishaya la file studio sakamshelula file singakabi ne studio sethu silishaya studio kamshelula sifake intwana vele ezincane sizintroduce kompoco because yabona asinalento leyo ukuthi thina nje basibadala kumele lokhu ihamba inathi kanje igame sifake nentwana encane yabona yabona sinalento leyo slifte wonke umuntu okhona oyithandayo le general azibona i-artist kule general ngithola so sibafaka abantwana file bashaya ispan bona bayashisa I believe ukuthi tomorrow yibo bazoyibamba lento lesiphethe ngithola because the way baza ngakhona bayangikhuthaza and bakhona abantu esingasho ukuthi bakule HS kuya babavulalayo abantwana balokhu abancane ngama-lyric nangokubhala nanganani
and bona bazo implement ezinye izinto ezintsha like ugender ukuthi expand ikhule futhi and aningitshele gents like nisha kanjani lento le because nina Nesipana nonke, ngicula nonke, ngijiva nonke.
ile nto bengisakutshela yona chama ukuthi thina sine mentality one siswitch on sonke makuthiwa sicuma ngapha
Ngiyaqhuma.
siyacuma makuthiwa sicuma ngapha siyacuma
Yeah.
akunabhasi ekumele lishiye omunye umuntu
Yeah,
liyasho
yeah,
netrack gibela ibhasi siyahamba
Gibela ibhasi ya.
So,
Mongana matsalo uyasala.
so mangacumi
Ungena matsalo yasala.
yeah mangacumi uyasala angiunderstand
Matsalo
I
uyasala.
hope uzwile la.
hayi njalo mangena matsala
Mangena matsala,
siyakushiya
yeah.
angithola
Yeah.
yeah
Okay, gents. Can you give me guys a top 5 yeKhotsane?
yabona manje
Ikhotsane straight.
Yeah.
Straight
Yeah.
from
Khotsane.
like back then till
Manje.
or
Yeah,
manje
iKhotsane nje in no particular order. Yabo just ngaqhatha abantu ukuthi
Okay,
ba
sakunikeze
number one,
yakhe nami nginikeze yami because
Okay.
so i mix.
Yeah.
So thina uFrostana lo, mina uFrostana lo.
inkinga manje yazi kwenzakalana no chamne
Yeah.
Nje amringa kuphela.
bheka
Question
bheka,
esimple
mamela,
le.
the question is simple feeling but now I need to know
Nje amkhuluma ngithi abantu
okay
bafika.
mase sikhuluma ngento zamanje or
Yeah, awuthi
Angithi-
unga-eda nabakudala, unga-eda nabanje. It's up to you because ekugcineni noma kuthiwa umuntu okhona akasekho but ekugcineni uke waba ne-influence kuwe nento mhlawumbe bekayenza boyincane.
feeling mina number 1 yami Supermosh
Supermosha.
Supermosha.
Ngisathi ngizosiza kuyo because nginibonile kuhamba nami.
number-
Athi Chomi,
number
hamba
one,
nami.
yeah.
Hamba nami.
that's my number 1
Yeah,
Supermosh they actually are like une spirit sobukhotshana
Yeah,
like
yeah.
isikhothana siphelele
Yeah.
then number 2 yami Mavura ufast
Mavura.
ratika
Yeah.
yangithola
Yeah, sure.
then kulandela ufinisher akulandela ufinisher kulandela ufezela
Okay.
bese zithi finish bese ubus 5 obviously kwamele kube yini
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Sure,
Kuwe
please.
awuthi yabi?
So ngobukhotsane straight nje.
Yeah.
Ngifika ngobukhotsane. Ubukhotsane phela sibona from Stwalo, dance,
Yeah.
Thando lwakhona.
Sure. Yeah.
Nama poster ayasho ukuthi
Yeah.
isikhotsane.
Yeah. Ama-poster ayasho.
Iwalkie,
Yeah.
ukuringa, ukusmile.
Yeah.
Yonke into angithola. Okay,
Yeah.
fele bengifika kuleyo point. Mina ngizibeka number 1. Angithola.
Yeah.
Ubukhotsane
Yeah.
straight angu number 1 nje.
Yeah.
Ngisikhotsane. Nangelanga liwana ngaze ngathi ngiyavuka kusasa.
Awusasesikhotsane.
Singishaya ideba.
Idepa uyazi.
Ngisikhotsane njani ngithola straight from day one. So ngizibeka number 1 when it
Yeah,
comes to
sure.
Khotsane nje. Yeah. Nama phenomenon share na udade isikhotsane. Feel novura number 2 feel. Because I ngithi nawo number 1. Maka novura nawo phithikazi lobukhotsane straight. First isikhotsane nje. Nayicambela manje. Leya isikhotsane leya. Inqondo yayo automatically isikhotsane. Cabanga ubukhotsane. Nama la ikhona ubukhotsane bucabanga nje. Yasho ukuthi kumele ngiyenzeni ubukhotsane. Yangithola. Then number 3, okay, Supermosh feel nami ngizomfaka because Supermosh vele isikhotsane feel naso lesiya. No masterpiece. Feel masterpiece asingifaka number 3. Masterpiece isikhotsane nje. Tshele nje. Isikhotsane masterpiece ngimfaka number 3.
And ngiyamthanda because uya-uplifta.
Isikhotsane
i-culture
masterpiece
yenhle,
isikhotsane. Noma ngawashaya amasweka mara isikhotsane
Yeah.
leya. Ngithola number 3 masterpiece. Bese number 4 ngamfaka feel Supermosh feel.
Sure.
Because Supermosh feel ya umuntu velo straight ebukhotsane naye. Akusumuntu ongasho ukuthi hayi culture yami ngisesisikhotsane na. Bese ukugcina feel ke umuntu mina beke mfrostana mama ngazi uvani nje ngisambona. Awuthi nje bangakufaka ku top 5 asisikhotsane nje. Isikhotsane.
ama yini bathi nama choices wa
Yeah, sure. There's no beef, akunama-next chance.
hayi
Hayi,
mamele ngithi ngiyishintshe
Okay, number 5
Yeah.
nje mina ngisambona umjita fela ngithola maka leya bengincane angazi kenzakaleni ngani ngibona ama video ayisitrend asikumuntu unjanjani nani ngithola
Ubanda.
Please I'm very blue when it comes to that mama yeso wethu le konjobani wangikhohle igama layo manje emethakal culture man man
uDondala.
kakhulu hayi akusudon don feel ngiyambona feel ya hayi no don feel iphakamisile culture makhwele ngingifrostana leya isikhotsane leya noma uyibona ilo hlahla yazi lo hlahla ya lo hlahla yele behlangile shama nyamatenza hlanya leya isikhotsana ngayibeka ku number 5 so top 5 yami le qala mina kuzelo 5 fast kuzelo masterpiece sithi Supermosh sithi hlahla ya ikhotsana noma ngathi umuntu isikhotsane ya uyu umuntu
Khuluma
straight
ngalabo bantu, ne?
ya umuntu isikhotsane umuntu onjalo
Okay. njengoba nje benisakhuluma ngoSupermosh uselistini enu2
Yeah, Supermosh is Khotsari,
nginibona ku-music video ka-Killer Punch noMiyano ihamba nami ma-Gents. How did you get that plug? Yo Gents niyaphusha ama-Gents yo.
Supermosh afede ngathi uringa no fast rane.
Yeah, Supermosh like kunalento ukuthi mayaqala cabanga something as long inento ethi ukhotshane phakathi.
Yeah.
Oyazo yasibela yipi. You understand?
Yeah,
Because of ikhotshane ezikhona at the moment.
Easy.
Yeah.
You understand? Mina uchamonga ngibona ubona finish just know ukuthi ngikhona.
Yeah.
Monga ngibona ubona ufezelo or for fast.
Just
know
ukuthi
ukuthi
khona.
Because of it's not like with all the times sizotholakala sonke.
Yeah.
It happens with bafuna abantu abayichu. So we had ukuthi thina as amachita sithi I finish fezela hambana. Nos represent lapha.
Yeah.
That's one thing about us.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano ngiyanthola. Then yena Supermosh animazela vafile.
Okay, uSupermosh afere mina ngasho ukuthi ngimaze from emavidweni. Then it happens ukuthi azwakale e-studio sispane sonke sine track naye.
Okay.
Supermosh which is yini konje le track leya.
Angaphuma ne?
Dala lapho.
Dala lapho. Okay.
Elompoto. Ngiyalikhumbula kanjini.
Gibela yini gibela ngithi gibela khuphuka nalibhasi lamatariana iverse lakhe sihamba nabo Rihanna uzoqala ntwana ngikhohlwa nje igama
le track.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sine track na ifile
Mina fede setting lami Supermosh nami ngamcavela ku social media. Fede talk my metal culture obvious which is Louis Kimis trender back then. So ntwana ya ngicavela da and fede dala vile ngiphakamise lakhe and yazwa afika ngamashishi ke vele ke asilimaza kakhulu.
Yeah, orenge ba.
So yeah, from there vele
Why so it?
Yeah, so it's
Why kaSlam?
yeah,
but utholakala ePitori full time based into zakhe zespan but yena
wakai
Original so ngayi. Okay, no, ngiyanthola Gents. Tell me, sesoyivala nje interview yethu. What has been like your biggest achievements like this year nje?
this year.
As much as been Logan Pusha nenzani.
It's having us bonile nami ngiziringa.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, mina ngingasho ukuthi ama achievement nento esizachievile or izinto engizachievile empilweni like number 1 mina my like into bengihlezi ngifisa ukuthi okay fere whatsoever sicalile no faster.
Yeah.
Sithathe sibeke to the next level. I understand.
Okay.
So from Ivory Park to Joe's angazi if you understand.
Yeah, ngiyathola.
Sithathe ishop isithembisa sayifaka eJoe's. So number 1 achievement here.
Khona nayi duplicate hayi ukuthi ifile le
ikhona nayo.
Yeah, multiply. So kuyaphezulu lo.
I-achievement leyo.
Yeah.
Nami ngibe nayo and I'm proud ngayo.
Yeah.
I understand because of nami I have my role kuleyo achievement leyo. I understand. Then nenye engibe nayo ukuthi like ngwaze nokuyo performa endaweni zokuthi like khona umuntu usafisa ukuba lapha like ngizibone ngwesinye spotlight whereby omunye umuntu akazi abakuso. I understand. Into engizachievile zebha mangazikhuluma ngeke ngicede manje. I understand but just know ukuthi this year already as a whole akapheli nokuphela sisase ku June iyafefe ye but already achieve a lot nje.
No, thola thana.
Clean bana. Fede ama achievement la nje amayiqambela ama fede nami this year fede aziningi into ezenzakalile njami nama ngikhola even today nje ngikhola njami because fede okay from last year fede sibonge fede shout out to Fezela njami ngithatha
yeah shout out
to Fezela singalibekile igama lakhe but nje ethi since nje ethi nathi le fede
shout out to
noma kenzakalana ufana nathi untwana ngithatha Twana fede kenzakala ukuthini OMS fede 25 skibele stage saka DJ Shimza which is one man show yaka Shimza biggest event asethembisa njani imagine njami gibele lapha shama yi yo
crowd
yeah ne enjoy ngicala from December ngicala ngale December njami yabona po December njami bekungiwa njami so much yeah ngithe vele mengigibela around ntwana nawo bonile ukuthi lezi zami zihip ntwana semnikezini amahigh so appreciate the way vele asigibele stage ngakhona because into ebeyingayo vele lapha bengufezela machine kuyabonakala semabhodini vele ukumsangana kuphela which is nakayiphethe kahle le yakhe vele bekahamba lapho vele ngathi clean. Then guess I will this year. I swear this year achievement why this year nje okay fede ngasho fede koza amatsala fede ama shop fede sikhuthazile fede yabona achievement ya spirit siyaphambili nesidwalo nanoma drop izinto ukuthi sifakani this month sifakani
yagijima
enye into ehambayo leyo fede ngithatha enye into fede ngiachievile fede hlana abantu ababig nje gaming ngithatha because mina bengeke ngicabanga ukuthi today ngizobe ngihamba nabo masterpiece driver na stage angithola nayo yenye achievement ngithola for me na feel exciting lami ngizofinish the King of Mosha isikhothana ishaya Mosha dance ngithola today ngikhona kushaya inamba nabo touchline ngithola kumfana touchline shama elatoma ecaba le
touchline una track no touchline
hey
shit ngiyacapha touchline
ngithola the achievement le
yo damn bro
ngithola so nje into esibha nje this year the achievement feel the touchline feel heat wave because nama it's a trend no because of elatoma and lapha uphasela samachita feel sonke makadami kamuphakamisa kakhulu finish danko iboss eshaya umdanso akakalizwa lo track liyeza feel indlebeni zakho sila trend feel lo track ngithola so enye achievement ukusipana nabantu abanjalo egamini feel ngiyakhuthala ngihlanganile nabo kaMomphela sijavile ama zone 6 nabo masterpiece agibele iTHS big ama channel dog ngithola
ilebe ngithi ngiza kuyo manje dog
so
channel mfethu kaMomphela the one and only kaMomphela
dog ngibona vela athi bana high five
and they appreciate
nice stage
enye into futhi achievement is sispanile no Cowboy sasha music video lapha ethi
cabanga iphumile is it out
beki promo le
because ngizamile ukuyisesha sangithola
beki promo video which is cabanga Cowboy sukile la upload khona wazethembisa straight eshop yeWazamatsala
ngibona yo
achievement dog le so like into esibhanza kalile this year and the which is akakaphili yes seku 6 months manje
so there's still more coming
so ngasho ukuthi umdalo unathi njalo nalama hater la mebazizona bangasiboni ukuthi siyenzayo izoya phambili namhlanje bayabona ukuthi ayenzeka yangithola mina yangijabulisa cause manje nalabantu abangibonela ngiphansi bayabona ukuthi leyanyuka and manje iyabasika le yangithola so manje yangikhuthaza lento leyo njalo so baningi abantu sisipana nabo abaye feel hayi uthi siyabakhohlwa just manje kuningi nje yabona kuyenzakala so much
no it's understandable
so maningi ama achievement just khona ama ingeke ngikhona kwasho nje la kumele uwavalele vele ushudayi vele maningi
yazi ngikhumbula nibukile interview kaFezela asho ukuthi this year baba this year ngihamba ngamunye shoni and bekake ngiva because even the time he came after the whole interview isn't there iningi zenzakale after the interview and then I feel he's involved in all of those things and his show he's there as much as nisho ukuthi as much as angekho but the fact ukuthi nina lean represent iWazamadala naye automatically uyangithola because into eyiwani uyangithola
ungafuna ukuthi sisalwa umama we1 ngeke isiphetsheni ngakhona ngithola because of like mina ngifuna next ngiyawuchama mina nasi ngabhekana kabi manje mara mangasuka umbeka isandla thinte mina nanoma ngajama mcede wadwa mphakathi mawungambeka isandla wena wangaphandle cabani nami
hayi njalo vela ayifuneki futhi naleyo
singamabutho thina ifavor wazi 29
njalo
onyambose
so nje ngicabanga kule nto ama achievement ngizengabona labantu laba channel ofile lapha ama backstage lapha ama camera baze bangilanda nje amatsadi you killed that performance boy dog like ngasho ukuthi ayazini sanyoka no nje ngithola
There's still
So
more
my music
coming.
video
Still more coming.
There's
ne?
still more coming.
Apa mashit. So yake sikhuluma ama
Yeah,
secrets.
there's still more coming.
Ngiyakutshela cause yazi abantu banalento yokuthi bayavimba.
Bamba
Banana,
nenhliziyo.
so yeah.
So
the
into
next
kumele bayazi
abenze.
bona ukuthi kukhulu okuzayo.
Khulu okuzayo ne?
Imvula iyona ngemali.
Njalo mithi noma sipost abantu bayakwata basafuna
Bayakwata,
ukureact. Bayabona so react
Every
namhlanje
weekend,
kusasa sa react next week
Yeah.
sa react kuyafana musu umuntu oyiwalo posta.
Njalo.
So njalo.
So nini uJanuary wenu bonjani?
uJanuary wethu bekafana noDecember.
Yeah. Yeah, ne. Okay. Gents, thank you very much for coming, gents.
Sure.
Thank you very much for coming. And yazi ukutshengisa ukuthi nibambene. Yazi I spoke with this guy.
Yeah.
And there was no he made it clear that there's no need to come also ngikhulume now because mangikhulume naye kufana nokuthi ngikhulume nani no ithu. Ngithola. Yeah, so like it shows ukuthi like nibambene kanjani and gents keep it like that. Asifuna ukuthi njengoba uyabona into enhle iyanconywa gents ngithola. Yeah, we are super proud nathi as I company esayikhulelayo ebonayo seeing such young people doing the most and babambene because these days uthola amajita axabana enzana axabanela abo Cherry. We've seen a lot of things.
Cherry bazamile. When it comes to
yeah.
Cherry bazamile.
Mina ngizokutshela ivari elihle liphelele.
Yeah.
Singacabana ngoCherry emakhoneni.
Yeah.
But makumele kube isipani.
Cishe wathi uzorekeza
Kumele kube isipani. Yabona ivari lafuneka. Angeke sicabanisa umuntu ukuthi ufika manje mfethu. Sibambane for how long?
Yeah.
Uyafika wena uyijejana ufuna ufinish ufuna mina or ufuna ufezela ufuna mina ufuna abantu ufuna abantu bese siyacabana kusho ukuthi besingathandana nalo besiphila
Kunemanje esibuka ngeCherry fele kule cycle lethu fele kuyakhona ukuthi untwana uCherry ajulo nontwana kanje ngithola wena wacela baxabana aze kimi which is mina thothi untwana lo Cherry bekamfihla like angangitshelanga nami ngithola ukuthi kunoCherry kanje atra naye ngithola asuka atshele mina manje ngijabule ukuthi ayikhona Cherry fresh nami ngiyathula ngifuna ukumtshengisa untwana ngumtshengisa abantu
ufuna ukusmash
kanti nakho ke leyo gelo
beka busy
nontwana mesicala kuyenzeka ukuthi ugeli sekayafika or singiphethe ifoni sithi ceba nomntana ngizola ngimshayile ngithola mntana sikayakwata mase afuna ukungikhahlela ngithola but into lezi sixabanisa ifini nazi sixabanisa because I understand singamabutho singamajita into zimane kuyenzeka feel yabona even though mina amajita angiplema kakhulu angibiza ngamagama nani
umqedi lo Edwazo yamosha lo
mina makahlezi ngixolisa
29
and ngiyasho ukuthi angenzi ngamabomu njalo ezingisho most of abo Cherry ntwana kumachitana wami ayafika kimi njalo mangazi why bayenza kanjalo ngithola
mangithi ngisakutshela ukuthi sika adoptile wena so usasemusha emhlweni wakho istyle ngitshela yeah
so mayabona into ezinjalo ngithola so ngizama ngawo wonke amandla ukuavoid lento leyo njalo ngithola ngiyathemseka but ngiyazama ngawo wonke amandla and ngiyaxolisa if ever khona into wrong ngibona ukuthi hayi wrong but if ngiyabona ukuthi hayi bengazi ukuthi ngenzakalani ngizokutshela ezomshito wami lapho ngingacavi nix ngithola but then manje sengrants because amajitelo angikhuza bangithiwali
kahle manje sintewa
yeah
okay
okay no akuna stress gents I would like you guys to share my socials wins and I've got a bigger question for you guys before we wrap it up but I'd like you guys to share my socials wins kule camera le then yeah le
ngathi manje ngakhulu
le yeah
oh Kale mina vele
cala ntwana yami
okay she it's your boy Finisher the King of Mosha on kama platform vele ngithola Finisher the King of Mosha ngithola ngithola zongithola litha phela mina ngithola mathola ke ngithola but singing fresh fish from France since from Friday do we fry me on a frying pan while I'm drinking Frisco with my friends
yeah
tsamela ngizogibela step by step njenge Adidas fida ngatokichimisa wa 23 next son of God Jordan Roberto tokandela coding Nike umuntu afake nyawo phansi kwe transformer
danko awuyazi mntana sekhaya
shoots
straight ntwana into straight otherwise mina ngusweet Danone bafowethu just search sweet Danone uyithola mina akekho omunye ozenza mina angazi ngizothi uzenzani yimi ngiwani and I'm the only one who's still standing bafowethu sure all social media platforms just search sweet Danone phela nje dankom
okay gents nababantwana
Yeah.
Yes.
How many?
One. Song.
Okay.
Welcome, Machita. One.
One,
Yeah, and shout out to my baby, Viere, no more there. Hello there. Sanda Sam. Yes,
Okay.
Sanda Sam.
I hope you guys did enjoy the interview. Please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are out.
Danko.
Sangano.